If you like the space and learn about its curiosities, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the video. The universe we observe is like a cosmic shoreline, where the observable meets the unimaginable. When we talk about the edge of the universe, we're really talking about the limits of what we can observe, known as the observable universe. This bubble spans about 93 billion light-years across, but that's only the part we can see. Beyond this lies a cosmic unknown that both tantalizes and perplexes astronomers. So, what lies beyond this edge? Let's dive into the fascinating possibilities that might exist in this uncharted frontier of space. Imagine looking at a distant mountain range, only to realize that clouds obscure the view. You know there's something beyond, but you can't quite make it out. Similarly, the universe has its own kind of horizon, known as the cosmic event horizon. Light from beyond this point hasn't had time to reach us yet because of the vast distances involved. This limitation is due to the speed of light, which, although fast, has its limits when it comes to spanning billions of light-years across space. The universe has also been expanding since the Big Bang, meaning that some areas have receded so far away that their light will never reach us. It's as if we're stuck in a cosmic bubble, observing only what's close enough for its light to travel across the eons. One fascinating idea is that beyond our observable limits, the universe might simply continue infinitely. This concept, known as the infinite universe theory, proposes that the universe has no edge at all and stretches out endlessly, filled with galaxies, stars, and possibly planets that will remain forever hidden from our sight. According to this theory, if you could somehow travel faster than light and break through our visible limits, you might just find more of the same, galaxies upon galaxies stretching infinitely in all directions. This notion challenges our perception, as humans are wired to think in finite terms. The concept of infinity is almost impossible to grasp, but an infinite universe aligns with the idea that there's no center, no boundaries. It's an endless expanse where the mysteries continue indefinitely. But what if the universe isn't infinite? Another theory suggests that the universe could be finite, but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. Imagine traveling in a straight line on the surface of a globe. Eventually, you would circle back to where you started without ever encountering an edge. In this model, the universe could loop back on itself. If true, this would mean that if we could see far enough, we might actually see ourselves, or at least our galaxy, in the distant past. This concept suggests a universe that is vast yet connected, with no edge but with a finite amount of space. It's an idea that gives a whole new perspective on cosmic geography, suggesting that beyond the visible limits, space might curve back into itself in ways that challenge our understanding of distance and direction. Then there's the concept of multiverses, a theory that introduces the idea of countless other universes beyond our own. The multiverse hypothesis posits that what lies beyond our observable universe might be entirely different realms of reality. Each of these could have different physical laws, dimensions, and cosmic histories. In one multiverse model, these universes are like bubbles, each forming in the foam of an eternal cosmic sea. Occasionally, these bubbles might collide, creating unique and violent interactions, but most drift apart, isolated from each other. If the multiverse is real, then beyond the edge of our visible universe could lie universes with different laws of physics, stars that burn a different color, or planets where time itself behaves in strange ways. Some scientists even propose that in a multiverse, every possible outcome or variation exists somewhere out there, a mind-boggling thought. There's also the possibility that the structure of the universe changes as you go farther out. We know that galaxies form clusters, and these clusters form superclusters, creating a vast cosmic web structure. Some researchers suggest that this structure could shift or even break down at extreme distances. This cosmic web might eventually give way to regions with a different arrangement of matter, or possibly areas that are more chaotic or orderly. Observing these distant structures could reveal variations in how galaxies form and how matter is distributed, offering insights into the mysterious forces shaping the cosmos. Finally, what if beyond the observable universe lies nothing? This concept, though unsettling, is based on the idea that there might be regions of space so empty that they contain little to no matter at all. These voids would be the ultimate deserts of the cosmos, where galaxies are sparse or non-existent, and the familiar sights of stars and nebulae would be incredibly rare. Such regions could be the remnants of early cosmic expansion, vast expanses left untouched by the clumping of matter. If such a region exists beyond our universe, it would be an eerie and desolate frontier, a reminder of the vast and quiet spaces that lie beyond our familiar cosmic neighborhoods. Each of these theories opens up more questions than answers. The truth about what lies beyond the observable universe remains one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy. We may never be able to explore these regions directly, but the curiosity they spark pushes us to continue probing, discovering, and expanding our understanding. In the quest to explore this cosmic edge, humanity stands as a small, curious observer in a vast and largely unknown universe. And perhaps, just knowing that there's more to discover beyond what we can see is the greatest adventure of all. What if the observable universe is just a tiny fraction of a far greater cosmos? Imagine looking at a map with blank spaces, marked only by a simple question: what lies beyond? Our minds naturally wonder, does the universe continue infinitely, stretching out with countless galaxies, stars, and perhaps planets like our own? Or could there be an edge, some kind of boundary where our familiar laws of physics give way to something else, something we can barely begin to understand? Think of it this way. The light from the most distant galaxies we observe today took billions of years to reach us, meaning we're peering back in time. But what if there are regions so distant, their light hasn't even begun to reach us yet? Could there be other galaxies, entire clusters or superclusters of galaxies, existing just beyond our cosmic horizon, too far for their light to ever reach Earth? If so, how would knowing that change our place in the universe? Or consider the possibility of a multiverse. What if our universe is just one of countless other bubble universes floating in a vast, cosmic sea? In such a scenario, the cosmos we know might be one among an endless variety, each with its own laws of physics, perhaps even its own versions of life. Could there be other versions of you, living completely different lives in alternate universes? This sounds like the stuff of science fiction, but quantum mechanics and string theory suggest it might be more than mere speculation. How would you feel knowing that another you might exist out there, making different choices and living in a different world? But let's get a little closer to home. What if the universe is finite but unbounded? Imagine if you could travel far enough in a straight line, and somehow, without ever turning, you ended up back where you started. This strange concept, where the universe curves back on itself, implies that you could theoretically see the past of our own galaxy by looking far enough into the distance. What mysteries could we uncover about our origins by seeing such a cosmic reflection? And would we understand our place better? Or would it just raise more questions? Of course, there's a more unsettling thought. What if, instead of more galaxies and more wonders, there's simply nothing? Some scientists propose that there might be regions so vast and empty, they contain virtually no matter or energy. Could it be that beyond a certain point, space itself just fades into emptiness, a dark, silent void where even the faintest glow of a distant star never shines? Such a concept challenges our view of space as an endless treasure trove of mysteries. How would we reconcile ourselves to such a lonely, barren idea of what lies beyond? Finally, think about this. If we could somehow break the cosmic barrier and travel beyond our observable universe, would we find answers or only more mysteries? Perhaps new kinds of physics, alien structures, or entire regions where time flows differently. In a universe where the unknown is always lurking just out of reach, what would it mean to truly explore the edge? Each question brings us closer to the unknown, yet always leaves us hungry for more. Is it possible that our curiosity, this drive to know what lies beyond, is itself the universe's greatest mystery? The edge of the visible universe is not only a boundary of distance, but one of imagination. And as long as there are questions to ask, the journey into the cosmos will never truly end. The observable universe, as vast and awe-inspiring as it seems, is only a sliver of a far grander, hidden cosmos. Imagine standing on the shore, looking out at an endless ocean. You see waves stretching as far as the eye can reach, but you know that beneath and beyond those waves lie unseen depths and distant shores you'll never glimpse. Our cosmic horizon, the observable universe, is much the same. This vast bubble of space that we can observe spans around 93 billion light-years. But beyond it lies a realm shrouded in mystery, beyond the reach of even the most advanced telescopes. The idea that the universe could continue infinitely beyond our observable horizon is one that has tantalized scientists and philosophers alike. When we think of infinity, we're grappling with a concept that challenges the limits of our understanding. We're wired to think of things as having boundaries, edges, or ends. Yet, if the universe truly is infinite, then there are no edges at all, only an unending expanse filled with galaxies, stars, and planets stretching on without end. In this view, what lies beyond our observable universe is simply more of the same, repeating and echoing outward forever. If we could somehow travel faster than light, hurtling past the limits of our observable universe, we might find ourselves surrounded by yet more galaxies, more clusters, more cosmic wonders. Yet, there's another idea, equally compelling, that the universe could be finite but unbounded. This concept suggests that, like the surface of a sphere, the universe is closed in on itself. Imagine a traveler starting at one point on the surface of a planet and moving in a straight line. Eventually, they would return to their starting point, having circled the entire globe. In a finite but unbounded universe, space behaves in a similar way. There is no edge or boundary, yet it loops back on itself. If this is true, then the universe could be vast yet contained, with a curved structure that makes space itself behave in ways that defy our everyday experiences. If we could look far enough, perhaps we'd see our own galaxy, reflected back to us from billions of light-years away. This idea suggests a universe that, though vast beyond comprehension, is interconnected, with no end but also no escape from its loops and curves. However, some theories suggest that the structure of the universe changes dramatically as you venture further into the unknown. Within the observable universe, matter is organized into clusters of galaxies, superclusters, and filaments that form a cosmic web, a vast three-dimensional lattice of matter spread across space. But scientists wonder, as we push into even more distant regions, could this structure begin to change? Perhaps there are areas where matter becomes more sparse, or where galaxies cluster together in entirely different ways. These distant regions, hidden from our view, could hold the key to understanding the true shape and nature of the universe. If the cosmic web shifts, morphs, or fades away, it would reveal new layers to the complex forces that shaped our cosmos in the wake of the Big Bang. Some theories even suggest that beyond our observable universe lies something entirely alien, another universe altogether. This idea, known as the multiverse theory, proposes that our universe is just one bubble in a vast multiverse, where countless other universes exist in a cosmic foam, each bubble a separate realm with its own physical laws, dimensions, and history. Some of these bubble universes might resemble ours, with stars, galaxies, and planets, while others could be radically different, governed by entirely alien physics. Perhaps some universes are filled with dark matter, others with exotic forms of energy we can't even imagine. In this multiverse, our own universe is just one of many, drifting in a sea of other realities. In certain versions of the multiverse theory, these bubbles could occasionally interact, colliding or influencing each other in ways we can't yet perceive. Imagine two massive bubbles in a foam brushing against each other, creating ripples and disturbances where they touch. In the cosmic multiverse, such collisions could trigger events as monumental as the Big Bang itself, or even create new universes. It's a humbling thought. The Big Bang, which we often see as the beginning of all things, might just be the result of two bubbles colliding in an even larger cosmic landscape. Yet some scientists entertain an even stranger notion: the idea that beyond the observable universe, space could be nearly empty, vast regions of nothingness where matter is incredibly sparse or absent altogether. These vast cosmic voids are theorized to be regions of pure emptiness, vast deserts of the cosmos that escaped the clumping of matter in the early universe. These voids, if they exist, would be silent, dark regions, free from the familiar structures of stars, planets, and galaxies. They would represent the ultimate isolation, places so devoid of matter and energy that even the faint glow of distant galaxies would never reach them. In these vast, empty regions, space itself would be a quiet, endless void, untouched by the events that shaped our own corner of the cosmos. This possibility paints a picture of a universe that is not just vast but divided, with some regions filled with the bustling activity of galaxies and others as empty and silent as a cosmic graveyard. It's a haunting thought, a universe that contains within it both life and emptiness, both light and unyielding darkness. These empty spaces, if they exist, would be like untouched corners of a grand map, places no traveler could ever reach or know, isolated by distances that defy comprehension. In exploring the edge of the visible universe, we find ourselves not only questioning the nature of space, but our place within it. Each theory, whether an infinite universe, a finite looping space, a multiverse, or a cosmos marked by vast voids, expands our understanding of what might lie beyond. And though we may never cross that cosmic barrier, the curiosity it inspires is a reminder of the endless journey we're on. We're bound by the limits of our observation, yet every new discovery, every theory, propels us closer to the unimaginable. The cosmos is an endless invitation to wonder, a frontier that, even at its edges, holds mysteries that may never be solved. Yet, with each new question about what lies beyond, we continue to push our understanding further, reaching out into the unknown, one thought, one question, one discovery at a time. In contemplating what lies beyond the limits of the observable universe, we're forced to reevaluate not only the scale of the cosmos, but the very fabric of reality itself. The vastness beyond our reach may hold realms where familiar laws of physics no longer apply, where time flows differently, or where entirely new forms of matter and energy exist. If there are indeed regions of the universe that lie beyond the scope of our observational tools, these hidden territories could contain secrets as fundamental as the origins of space and time. Some physicists suggest that as we move beyond the observable universe, we might encounter different regions with varying properties, pockets of space where conditions differ drastically from what we know. This concept, often associated with the theory of cosmic inflation, proposes that in the earliest moments after the Big Bang, different regions of space expanded at slightly different rates. This early burst of inflationary expansion could mean that distant parts of the universe developed in ways unlike our own, forming regions with distinct characteristics. In such areas, the laws of physics we consider universal might only apply within our observable cosmos, while elsewhere, gravity, electromagnetism, and even time itself could behave in unexpected ways. This idea hints at a patchwork universe, a tapestry of varied regions woven together, but each with its own unique traits. If this theory holds, then the edge of the observable universe is not a true boundary, but rather a transition to realms where physics takes on different forms. The implication is staggering. Our universe, as we know it, could be just one thread in a much larger and more complex cosmic fabric, with other regions forming alternate realities governed by their own distinct sets of rules. Such a multiform universe would be a place of unimaginable diversity, where the familiar laws of nature give way to an ever-evolving and endlessly diverse cosmic landscape. Then there's the profound possibility that beyond our universe lies something even more transformative, regions where not only matter, but the very structure of reality is different. Some theorists posit that, at unimaginable distances, space might transition into higher dimensions or alternate forms of existence altogether. In these regions, reality might be defined by dimensions beyond the familiar three of space and one of time. Imagine a space where beings exist not as three-dimensional objects but as four- or five-dimensional structures, moving through realities that are simply inconceivable to us. If such dimensions exist beyond our universe, then the cosmos itself might be only one slice of a much grander, multidimensional reality. These regions might be beyond our reach, not only physically but conceptually, They could lie beyond what the human mind can grasp, places where even the rules of thought and perception are transformed. Our brains evolved to understand a three-dimensional world, but a cosmos that stretches beyond our senses challenges us to think in ways that go beyond our biology. These higher-dimensional spaces would not just be unfamiliar. They would be as alien to us as the idea of infinity is to a child. If realms like this lie beyond the observable universe, then the full truth of reality might forever elude us, remaining an abstraction that we can only begin to approach through mathematics and imagination. One of the most intriguing ideas emerging from this exploration is that of quantum universes. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. Some scientists have suggested that beyond the observable universe, entire regions might function according to quantum principles, where reality itself splits into multiple outcomes or possibilities. This idea, known as the many-worlds interpretation, proposes that every possible event creates a new branch of reality. Taken to the scale of the cosmos, it implies that our universe might be just one version of countless others, each branching out from different quantum outcomes. Imagine that every decision, every twist and turn, every particle interaction spawns a new version of the universe, with each version following its own path. Beyond the observable universe, then, could lie an entire forest of these alternate realities, each one a slightly different version of the world we know. In this framework, every possible version of the cosmos exists somewhere out there, layered upon itself in an incomprehensible array of outcomes and possibilities. The sheer scope of such a multiverse boggles the mind, an unending series of universes within which all potential histories and futures unfold. If true, this would mean that the cosmos is a vast, branching tree of possibilities, each reality a separate leaf on an endlessly growing tree of existence. This theory doesn't just apply to grand cosmic events, but also to the everyday moments of our lives. In a multiverse where every quantum decision creates a new universe, the act of looking through a telescope, observing a distant star, or even a random moment of inspiration could have cosmic significance. Every choice we make would ripple outward, spawning new universes and realities. In this view, our lives aren't just individual experiences. They're woven into the fabric of the universe itself, part of an ever-expanding web of realities that stretches far beyond the edge of what we can observe. In considering these possibilities, we find ourselves humbled by the scale and complexity of a universe that might never fully reveal itself. Our observations may be limited to one small region, yet they hint at a cosmos far richer, stranger, and more profound than anything we can directly experience. What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe remains one of the greatest mysteries of our time, a question that pushes the limits of science, philosophy, and human imagination. We may never reach these far-off regions, but the urge to understand what's out there drives us to keep asking, to keep looking, and to keep wondering. In the vast emptiness of space, we are tiny, but our curiosity is boundless. The edges of the visible universe mark not the end, but a new beginning in our quest to know what lies beyond. As we continue to peer into the depths, to search the night skies for answers, we become part of a grand story, one in which every new question, every new discovery, opens doors to realms we never thought possible. The edge of the observable universe is not a limit, but an invitation to imagine a cosmos without boundaries, a place where the mysteries of existence stretch into the infinite, waiting for us to catch up. As we continue exploring the boundaries of the observable universe, our journey is as much about understanding the nature of reality as it is about pushing into the cosmos. Each layer of discovery, whether it's the infinite universe, the finite but unbounded concept, or the tantalizing prospect of multiverses, serves to expand our view of what's possible, revealing a universe that is not only vast but profoundly interconnected with the very fabric of existence itself. One of the most profound revelations is that, in many ways, our own presence in the universe could be a kind of cosmic miracle. The conditions that allow life as we know it are so precise, so seemingly unlikely, that many scientists have wondered if there might be an inherent design or fine-tuning in our universe. This concept has led to what is known as the anthropic principle, the idea that the universe appears to be structured in a way that allows life to exist, and that perhaps the very fabric of the cosmos is intertwined with the possibility of consciousness. If, beyond our universe, there exist countless other universes with different physical constants, then it could be that we just happen to inhabit a universe that is just right for life. In a multiverse of endless possibilities, our own existence becomes one possibility among countless others, and the conditions that make life possible are simply one outcome of an infinite array of cosmic configurations. If the anthropic principle holds, then it's possible that many of these other universes might not support life at all. Some might be filled with exotic forms of matter, or governed by physics so strange that atoms couldn't form, let alone stars, planets, or living beings. In this sense, our universe is like a finely tuned instrument, set at precisely the right balance of forces to allow stars to shine, galaxies to form, and complex chemistry to unfold. Beyond our universe, we might imagine an endless variety of worlds, some chaotic, some orderly, some vibrant with forces we can barely imagine, and others as silent and static as frozen time. It is a humbling thought that, within this vast cosmic lottery, we happen to live in a universe where the conditions allow us to observe, to question, and to seek answers. As if the mystery of other universes weren't profound enough, some scientists propose that the universe itself might be a kind of vast, interconnected network of information. This idea, known as the holographic principle, suggests that all of the information within our universe, the position of every particle, the energy of every star, the flow of time itself, could be encoded on a distant, two-dimensional surface at the edges of the cosmos. In this view, our three-dimensional reality is something like a projection, a grand hologram where every aspect of our physical world is encoded in a way we are only beginning to comprehend. If this is true, then the edge of the observable universe might be more than a spatial boundary. It could be the very structure that holds the information of all that we are, a cosmic ledger that records the existence of every galaxy, every star, every atom. The holographic principle also suggests that the universe may be fundamentally composed of information rather than matter. This radical concept blurs the line between the physical and the abstract, implying that the universe could be understood as a vast computational structure, a place where reality itself is woven from information and energy. In this model, beyond the edge of the observable universe might not lie more space, but a vast data landscape, a cosmic code that governs the existence of everything we see. Some researchers even wonder if, at the deepest level, the universe might operate in a manner similar to a quantum computer, constantly processing information, resolving probabilities, and creating the experience of reality in real time. If the holographic principle holds true, then the edge of the observable universe is less a physical limit and more a boundary of perception, a threshold where the informational structure of the cosmos begins to reveal itself. In considering these ideas, we come to realize that what lies beyond the visible universe might not only be a question of distance, but of dimensions, of structures, and of information itself. It's possible that our quest to understand the cosmos will eventually lead us to an understanding of reality that is far more intricate, and perhaps even stranger, than we can currently conceive. Each model, each theory, from infinite universes to quantum realms, from cosmic holograms to multiverses, paints a picture of a universe that is not only vast but layered, each concept an additional veil that pulls us deeper into the heart of existence. One can imagine that, in the distant future, humanity might develop technologies capable of probing beyond the observable universe. Perhaps new forms of energy or quantum entanglement might allow us to see into regions currently beyond our reach. Or maybe advances in artificial intelligence, combined with a deeper understanding of quantum mechanics, will reveal the cosmos in ways we can't yet imagine. But even as our scientific instruments improve, and as our understanding of physics deepens, the very nature of the cosmos may keep some of its secrets forever hidden. The vastness beyond the observable universe could contain layers upon layers of mystery, eternally tantalizing and forever out of reach. And yet, There is a beauty in this endless mystery. The fact that there is more to discover, more to question, keeps humanity moving forward, always seeking, always wondering. The universe invites us to dream, to speculate, to stretch the limits of our imagination. Whether we are alone in an infinite cosmos, surrounded by countless other universes, or part of a grand holographic projection, our curiosity makes us participants in a story that is as old as time and as vast as the stars. In every way, the edge of the observable universe is a boundary of the known, a frontier that marks the transition from certainty into the realm of possibility. Beyond it, the universe becomes an open question, a place where every answer only leads to new questions, and where the true nature of reality might remain forever elusive. And yet, it is this very elusiveness that defines our quest, the sense that there is always something more, some grander, deeper truth waiting to be uncovered. So, while we may never know with certainty what lies beyond the edge of the visible universe, the search itself is a testament to our place in the cosmos, a reminder that even the smallest observer can aspire to understand the infinite. In the end, the edge of the observable universe is a mirror reflecting our deepest hopes and fears, a threshold that invites us to look beyond what we know and to embrace the mystery of what lies beyond. It is here, on the edge of the known and the unknown, that we discover the boundless nature of human curiosity and the eternal journey to understand the cosmos. And perhaps, in that journey, we find not only the universe, but ourselves. As we reach for answers about the universe, every new discovery seems to reveal a more intricate and layered reality, suggesting that our universe is not a simple, static entity, but a dynamic, evolving tapestry of forces, dimensions, and possibilities. Beyond the observable cosmos, where the light of the most distant galaxies has yet to reach us, lies a frontier of mind-bending theories that continue to stretch our understanding of existence itself. Each hypothesis, from the possibility of infinite space to multiverses, from higher dimensions to cosmic voids, hints that what lies beyond may redefine the very essence of space, time, and matter. In the vast framework of the multiverse, our universe could be seen as just one small bubble within a vast sea of other universes, each with its own unique conditions and perhaps even its own version of physical laws. According to this theory, every universe in the multiverse could follow a different set of rules, some similar to ours, others wildly different, and some so alien that they defy even the most advanced human concepts of physics. Such universes might host stars that burn in strange colors, galaxies that spiral in patterns unknown to us, or even planets where the concept of time itself behaves differently. Our cosmic neighborhood, then, would be merely one possibility in a vast landscape of realities, each one a potential version of existence, some vibrant with activity and others as barren as an endless expanse of nothingness. Another profound theory speculates that beyond the observable edge, we may encounter not just additional galaxies, but entire regions where space and time begin to curve back on themselves in ways that create closed loops. This idea, sometimes associated with the concept of a cyclic or bouncing universe, suggests that rather than expanding endlessly, the universe may go through cycles of expansion and contraction, like the breathing of some vast, cosmic entity. This cyclical nature could imply that beyond the observable edge, the universe might already be curving back inward, beginning a new phase of contraction, which would eventually lead to a recollapse and a subsequent rebirth. In this model, the cosmos becomes a continually regenerating entity, with each cycle carrying forward the essence of existence in a new and perhaps subtly altered form. This concept challenges our perception of time, suggesting that our reality may not be a one-way journey from beginning to end, but rather an endless loop of creation and destruction, a universe that resets and renews itself in an eternal cosmic dance. One of the most mind-expanding ideas is the possibility of higher dimensions lying beyond our observable reach. We experience the world in 3 spatial dimensions plus time, but some theories propose that additional spatial dimensions could exist, folded and hidden from our senses. These extra dimensions might be so compact that they are impossible to detect directly, Yet they could influence the universe on a fundamental level, shaping the behavior of particles and forces in subtle ways. If these higher dimensions do indeed exist, they could provide a framework for phenomena that we currently describe through the lens of quantum mechanics and relativity. Beyond our observable universe, these extra dimensions might unfold, revealing realms where space itself is structured in entirely unfamiliar ways. In this higher dimensional landscape, distances and directions might operate differently, creating a cosmos that defies our ordinary understanding of movement, location, and even identity. Imagine a universe where 2 points in space could be infinitely far apart in 3 dimensions, but immediately adjacent in a higher dimensional plane. Such a reality would redefine the nature of proximity, suggesting that distant galaxies might, in fact, be connected in ways we can't perceive. Yet, as tantalizing as these theories are, they underscore a haunting truth. There may be limits to human knowledge, boundaries that our science cannot cross. The light speed limit, as defined by Einstein's theory of relativity, ensures that no information can travel faster than light, which means there are regions of the universe that will forever remain invisible to us. As the universe expands, some galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light, meaning their light will never reach us. These redshifted galaxies are effectively drifting beyond our reach, creating a cosmic event horizon that marks the absolute limits of what we can observe. Beyond this horizon, galaxies, stars, and even whole clusters may exist, their light forever cut off from our view. This limitation forces us to accept that we might never have a complete picture of the universe, a humbling reminder that we are participants in a mystery that is always, by its nature, larger than ourselves. Even the nature of space itself might change as we move beyond the observable universe. The large-scale structure of our cosmos forms what scientists call the cosmic web, a network of galaxies and dark matter connected by vast filaments and separated by massive voids. Some theorists propose that as we push further into the unknown, this structure could transform, perhaps giving way to regions where galaxies are sparse or even non-existent. These cosmic voids, as immense as they are empty, might represent a transition to areas where the density of matter drops to near zero, where the familiar fabric of galaxies and stars begins to fade into the darkness. In these regions, space would be a quiet, empty expanse, untouched by the forces that shape the galaxies we see. The universe, in this view, becomes a grand and lonely ocean, with islands of galaxies scattered in an otherwise endless sea of nothingness. At the deepest level, the question of what lies beyond the observable universe forces us to confront the idea that space itself may not be a static background, but a dynamic and evolving entity. Theories in quantum physics suggest that empty space, or vacuum, is anything but empty. Rather, it is a seething ocean of energy and virtual particles, constantly fluctuating in and out of existence. This quantum vacuum could change as we move further from the observable universe, with fields and energies emerging that are beyond our current understanding. This quantum landscape might contain fields and forces that interact with space in ways we can only imagine, giving rise to new forms of matter, energy, and even new laws of physics. If these quantum forces become more pronounced in regions beyond our cosmic horizon, then the universe, as we know it, could be only one phase in a much larger quantum field, a small pocket of stability in an ever-shifting cosmic energy. These ideas, though speculative, highlight that the universe we observe is likely a small fragment of a far greater, incomprehensible whole. Each of these theories, from the multiverse to higher dimensions, from cosmic cycles to the quantum landscape, challenges us to think beyond the limits of human experience, to stretch our imagination toward the possibilities that lie beyond. Yet, while we may never directly observe these hidden realms, our curiosity, our drive to understand, propels us forward, encouraging us to reach beyond what is knowable. The edge of the observable universe is, in a sense, a mirror. It reflects back to us our insatiable quest for knowledge, our willingness to ask the unanswerable, and our boundless desire to explore the unknown. We are small beings in a universe of unimaginable size, yet we are driven by the same forces that shaped the stars, the galaxies, and the cosmic web itself. In asking what lies beyond, we are, in a way, connecting with the universe's own impulse toward expansion, growth, and discovery. And as long as we continue to wonder, to seek, and to reach out into the dark, the universe will continue to reveal itself, one mystery at a time. This journey, then, is not just about looking outward but also inward, about recognizing that in our pursuit of the cosmos, we are also exploring the deepest parts of ourselves, our curiosity, our resilience, and our timeless connection to the cosmos. In the boundless expanse beyond the observable universe, we find both our greatest questions and, perhaps, our truest answers. As we ponder the depths of the cosmos and the mysterious realms that lie beyond our reach, we begin to realize that the quest to understand the universe is as much about exploring our own existence as it is about uncovering the nature of reality. For, in asking what lies beyond the visible, we're not merely searching for distant galaxies or the limits of space. We're engaging with questions that have fueled human curiosity for centuries. We are seeking our origins, our purpose, and our place in the vast, intricate web of existence. The universe is often described as a grand, expanding fabric of space and time, yet even this description only scratches the surface of its true complexity. Since the discovery of dark matter and dark energy, our understanding of the cosmos has undergone a radical transformation. Dark matter, an invisible substance that interacts with regular matter only through gravity, is thought to make up about 27% of the universe. Dark energy, a mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the cosmos, comprises roughly 68%. Together, they represent 95% of the total mass energy content of the universe. This means that everything we see, every star, galaxy, and atom, accounts for only about 5% of the cosmos. Beyond the observable universe, dark matter and dark energy likely extend even further, forming an unseen framework upon which the visible cosmos is built. This realization forces us to confront a startling truth. Most of the universe is invisible, operating beyond the reach of our current scientific tools and possibly beyond the limits of human understanding. In many ways, dark matter and dark energy are like shadows cast on the wall of a dimly lit room. We can infer their presence from the effects they have on visible matter, but their true nature remains hidden. They raise fundamental questions. What is the universe made of, and why does it exist in this particular way? If there are regions of the cosmos where dark matter and dark energy behave differently, then what we perceive as universal forces may be local phenomena, unique to our cosmic neighborhood. Beyond the observable universe, these unknown forces might manifest in ways we cannot yet imagine, forming structures, patterns, or even forms of matter that defy our current understanding. This possibility hints at a universe that is not only bigger, but also richer, with an underlying reality that operates on principles we have yet to discover. One of the most haunting implications of a universe dominated by dark energy is that it may one day fade into an eternal emptiness. If dark energy continues to drive the accelerated expansion of the universe, then distant galaxies will eventually move beyond our cosmic horizon, slipping forever out of view. Over billions of years, the universe will become an increasingly empty place, with stars and galaxies scattered ever further apart, until only the remnants of our local group of galaxies remain. This is a scenario known as the Big Freeze, where the universe expands so much that it effectively becomes a dark, cold, and empty void. In this far future cosmos, all sources of light and heat will eventually burn out, and the universe will reach a state of maximum entropy, where no energy is available to do work. If this is the fate of our cosmos, then the regions beyond the observable universe will become ever more isolated, cut off not just from our sight, but from any form of interaction, leaving behind a silent expanse that stretches indefinitely into the darkness. But, paradoxically, some theories suggest that this empty, frozen universe might be just the beginning of something new. In some models, the very fabric of space-time could undergo a transformation after reaching a state of maximum entropy. Tiny quantum fluctuations, the random jittering that occurs at the subatomic level, might eventually trigger the birth of a new universe. This process, known as quantum tunneling, could allow a new Big Bang to occur, creating a fresh universe out of the ashes of the old. In this sense, the end of our universe could be the seed of another, part of a grand cycle of cosmic rebirth where universes emerge, evolve, and eventually give rise to new universes. Beyond the observable universe, in the deep future, space itself could become a fertile ground for new beginnings, a cosmic womb in which new realities are born from the death of the old. This idea of a cyclic universe is deeply resonant, for it implies that creation and destruction are inseparably linked, and that the cosmos is an endless process of renewal. If we look beyond the observable universe in this context, we are not just staring into an abyss of darkness, but into a realm of potential, a place where even the quietest void contains the seeds of new existence. This vision of the universe challenges the notion of a beginning and an end, suggesting instead an eternal flow, where each universe is both an echo of the past and a precursor to the future. In the world of theoretical physics, some thinkers go even further, suggesting that the universe we experience might be a vast, interconnected field of consciousness. Building on ideas from quantum mechanics, which describes particles as existing in multiple states until observed, some theories propose that consciousness itself may play a role in the fabric of reality. In this view, the act of observing the universe, of asking questions and seeking answers, could be part of what brings reality into existence. If consciousness is indeed a fundamental part of the cosmos, then beyond the observable universe might lie not just matter and energy, but realms of awareness and understanding far beyond our own. This concept blurs the line between observer and observed, suggesting that we are not separate from the universe, but deeply woven into its structure. This interconnectedness could mean that every thought, every moment of curiosity, is part of a larger, universal intelligence, a field that transcends space and time. In this view, beyond the observable universe lies a realm where our individual consciousnesses are connected to a greater whole, where the very fabric of reality pulses with awareness, with purpose, with life. Such a vision of the cosmos is as mystical as it is scientific, bridging the gap between physics and philosophy, and inviting us to consider that perhaps the universe itself is not only alive but self-aware. As we reach the limits of scientific understanding, the boundaries of knowledge and mystery become blurred, and the universe reveals itself to be not only a place of vast distances and cosmic forces, but a mirror reflecting our deepest questions back at us. The edge of the observable universe is not a final frontier, but a reminder that there is always more to discover, more to imagine, and more to understand. It is a place where science and wonder converge, where the quest for knowledge becomes a journey into the unknown, and where each new discovery serves to expand the horizons of both the cosmos and the human mind. In contemplating what lies beyond, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities contained within the universe. Whether the cosmos is ultimately finite or infinite, static or dynamic, governed by a single set of laws or shaped by countless realities, it is a place that invites us to explore, to dream, and to seek answers to questions that may never be fully resolved. Beyond the observable universe lies not only the unknown, but the promise of endless discovery, a horizon that moves with us as we venture ever forward, a boundary that recedes with each new insight, each new revelation. In our exploration of the universe, we are both voyagers and creators, charting a course through the vastness of space, guided by a curiosity that is as old as humanity itself. The journey into the cosmos is a journey into the depths of our own understanding, a quest that transcends time, space, and even the limits of reality. And in this endless search, we find not only a deeper knowledge of the universe, but a deeper connection to each other and to the mystery of existence itself. So, as we look beyond the stars, past the galaxies, and into the vast expanse that lies beyond, we are not merely asking what is out there. We are seeking to understand who we are, why we are here, and what it means to be part of a universe that is in every sense boundless. The edge of the observable universe is a gateway to infinity, an invitation to journey into the unknown, and a testament to the endless wonder that is the human spirit. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, We may be small, but our capacity to wonder, to question, and to dream is as limitless as the universe itself. And perhaps, in that sense, we are not separate from the cosmos, but an essential part of its unfolding story, a story that will continue to evolve and expand, just as we do, into the infinite. In the vastness beyond what we can observe, the universe unfolds with secrets that may lie forever out of reach. Yet these secrets fuel a profound sense of wonder and drive the human quest for understanding. Each boundary we encounter in space challenges us to think beyond the familiar, to push against the limits of perception, and to embrace the mystery that surrounds us. And as we venture deeper into the cosmos, both physically through exploration and intellectually through theory, we uncover insights that redefine our relationship with the universe and with ourselves. The edge of the observable universe is, in a way, a threshold between reality as we know it and a realm that exists purely in the imagination and in theory. It's the edge of what we can measure, the frontier of light and time. Looking out into this distance, we are not only seeing far into space but far back into time. The light from the most distant galaxies left its source billions of years ago, giving us a glimpse of a young universe, a cosmos still in its formative stages. This act of looking back through time connects us to the origins of everything we know, linking our own existence with the earliest moments of the universe. It's a reminder that, in the grand scheme of things, we are deeply connected to the fabric of cosmic history. Yet, beyond this observable realm, there may exist structures and phenomena that completely defy our expectations. Some scientists suggest that beyond the observable universe, regions of space could be organized in ways that fundamentally differ from our own cosmic neighborhood. There might be areas where the concentration of matter and energy fluctuates drastically, or where galaxies form in completely alien configurations, shaped by forces we have yet to encounter. In these hidden regions, the properties of space and time themselves might shift, creating areas where the expansion of space follows different rules, or where the fabric of reality is stretched and twisted in ways that challenge the limits of relativity. One of the most startling possibilities is that there could be regions where time flows differently, a phenomenon hinted at by theories of general relativity, where gravity can bend space and time. In areas with extreme gravitational forces, such as black holes, time slows down relative to other parts of the universe. If there are regions beyond our observational reach where gravity operates under different conditions, the flow of time could vary dramatically from what we experience here. In this context, beyond our observable universe might lie pockets of space where time moves slower, faster, or even in strange, cyclic patterns. This idea opens up possibilities for realms where time itself is fluid, bending and shifting in ways we can only begin to imagine. If we could observe these regions, it might feel like looking at snapshots of alternate timelines, each evolving according to its own unique rhythm. The notion of time behaving differently in distant regions also leads to speculations about the origins and future of the universe. In one scenario, our universe may be just one moment in a larger, timeless multiverse, where different realities coexist side by side, each following its own trajectory. In this vast multiverse, each bubble universe could represent a separate timeline, a unique configuration of matter and energy, where space, time, and physics vary infinitely. Our universe, with its specific conditions and physical laws, could be just one version of countless possibilities. This multiverse would not be a single timeline, but an interconnected web of realities, each unfolding in parallel, each distinct yet bound by an overarching cosmic structure. Some physicists even propose that these universes may occasionally interact, brushing against one another, and causing cosmic events that ripple across the fabric of space-time. These collisions, or bubble universes merging, might leave traces in the form of gravitational waves or unusual cosmic background patterns, subtle hints that other realities have crossed paths with our own. If such collisions occurred in the past, they could explain some of the anomalies we observe in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. And if they continue to occur, it's conceivable that our universe might one day interact with another, an event that could alter the course of cosmic evolution in ways we cannot predict. Another layer to this mystery is the concept of quantum cosmology, which suggests that the universe itself operates on principles of quantum mechanics at its deepest levels. Quantum mechanics, with its rules of probability, superposition, and entanglement, governs the behavior of particles on the smallest scales. If the universe itself is governed by quantum principles, then it might exist in a state of constant fluctuation, where different realities and possibilities overlap and intertwine. Beyond the observable universe, there could be regions that exist in a state of superposition, places where multiple outcomes coexist until observed or interacted with in some way. This quantum nature would mean that the universe is not a static or deterministic place, but rather a constantly shifting, probabilistic field of possibilities. Every particle, every galaxy, every distant star would be part of this grand, cosmic quantum dance. In this view, what lies beyond the observable universe might not be fixed structures but fluid potentials, realities that are only partially formed, waiting for interaction to give them definite shape. This idea transforms our understanding of space from a mere backdrop to a dynamic, interactive field where observation and reality are intertwined. It suggests that we are not passive observers but active participants in the creation of the cosmos, that by observing, questioning, and understanding, we are, in some subtle way, shaping the universe itself. Yet, as we stretch our minds to grasp these ideas, we must also confront the possibility that some aspects of the cosmos may remain forever beyond human comprehension. The scale and complexity of the universe are such that, despite our most powerful telescopes, our most advanced theories, and our deepest insights, there will always be mysteries that lie just out of reach. The light from galaxies beyond a certain distance will never reach us, and the expansion of the universe ensures that some regions will remain eternally invisible, cut off from our view by cosmic horizons that recede as we advance. This is the ultimate cosmic irony. The more we know, the more we realize how much remains unknown. But it's precisely this unknown that propels us forward. The universe, in all its vastness and mystery, is an invitation, a reminder that knowledge is a journey, not a destination. For every answer we uncover, a dozen more questions arise, each leading us deeper into the cosmic labyrinth, each pushing us further toward the edge of understanding. The observable universe may have boundaries, but our curiosity does not. As we peer beyond the stars, beyond the light of ancient galaxies, we are not just expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. We are expanding the limits of what it means to be human. In a sense, the universe itself is a story, one in which we are both characters and authors, participants in a tale as old as time and as boundless as space. We are part of a narrative that spans eons, connecting us to the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the emergence of life. In asking what lies beyond, we are not just seeking to understand the external universe, but to connect with something profound within ourselves, something that transcends the physical and touches the eternal. This journey, with all its challenges and mysteries, is as much a search for meaning as it is a quest for knowledge. So, as we continue to explore, to question, and to dream, let us remember that the universe is not merely a collection of stars and galaxies. It is a vast, interconnected web of existence, of which we are an integral part. Beyond the observable universe lies not only the promise of discovery, but the essence of what it means to be alive, to be curious, and to seek understanding in a cosmos that is in every sense limitless. And perhaps, in that boundless pursuit, we find our true place in the universe, as beings of infinite wonder, forever reaching for the stars, forever yearning to know what lies beyond. As we journey deeper into the mysteries of the universe, contemplating what lies beyond the observable reaches, we are faced with an overwhelming sense of scale that often defies our ability to comprehend. The vastness of space, the immeasurable distances, and the notion of infinity all serve to make the universe a place of endless wonder, a frontier that seems to grow the closer we look. In asking what lies beyond, we are not only confronted by the cosmic unknown, but by profound philosophical questions about existence, purpose, and connection. Each theory about what lies beyond the observable universe, whether it's an infinite cosmos, a multiverse, or a place where reality itself behaves in incomprehensible ways, leads us to redefine our understanding of what the universe is. It suggests that the cosmos is not simply an arrangement of matter and energy, but a dynamic entity, one that operates on principles that are as mysterious as they are beautiful. And in contemplating these vast possibilities, we see that the universe is a place where science and philosophy, physics and metaphysics, intersect in ways that stretch the limits of knowledge. Consider for a moment the notion of the universe as an infinite expanse, one that stretches endlessly beyond the horizon of the observable. This idea is challenging because infinity itself is almost impossible for the human mind to grasp. We live in a world defined by limits, by beginnings and endings, by boundaries and edges. The concept of an infinite universe, a cosmos with no boundaries or endpoints, is one that fundamentally alters our perspective. It suggests a place where time and space extend forever, where galaxies and stars continue beyond any reachable distance. If this is the true nature of the universe, then our observable bubble is like an island in a boundless ocean, a small patch of light surrounded by the infinite darkness of space. An infinite universe would also imply the existence of endless variations of galaxies, stars, and perhaps even worlds like our own. It suggests that every possibility is contained somewhere within the vastness of space. Somewhere out there, there could be a star identical to our sun, orbiting a planet identical to Earth, with beings who wonder about their place in the cosmos just as we do. In an infinite universe, every possible configuration of matter exists, each forming its own unique expression of reality. This notion, though speculative, reveals the cosmic tapestry as one of boundless creativity, where the universe is continually reshaping itself into new forms, each one as complex and rich as the last. But if the universe is not infinite, if it has a structure that is closed or finite, this raises other, equally profound possibilities. A closed, finite universe could mean that space is curved, looping back on itself in a way that, like the surface of a sphere, has no edges. This would mean that if we were to travel far enough in a straight line, we might eventually end up back where we started, having circled the universe as if we had traveled around a globe. This concept, called a finite but unbounded universe, suggests a cosmos that is vast yet contained, one that challenges our understanding of distance and direction. It means that beyond the observable universe, we might not find more galaxies stretching endlessly, but instead, a universe that wraps back onto itself, a closed system where every point is connected in a grand, cosmic loop. Such a structure could mean that, given the right perspective, we might even observe distant reflections of our own galaxy, or ancient light that has traveled the entire universe only to return to us. This looping structure would give the universe a kind of symmetry, a harmonious structure that suggests space itself is intricately woven together. In a finite universe, everything is ultimately connected, each part influencing the whole in subtle, far-reaching ways. And then there is the possibility of a multiverse, a concept that stretches the imagination even further. In this vision, our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own unique physical laws, dimensions, and histories. Imagine each universe as a bubble, floating in a vast cosmic sea, each one a self-contained reality with its own set of rules. Some of these bubble universes might be similar to ours with galaxies, stars, and planets, while others could be so alien that they defy description. Some might exist in higher dimensions, where space and time operate in ways we cannot comprehend. In the multiverse, every conceivable version of the universe exists, each a unique expression of what reality could be. The implications of a multiverse are staggering. If there are indeed countless other universes, each evolving along its own path, then our own existence becomes a single thread in an infinite tapestry of realities. Each moment, each decision, each fluctuation of particles in our universe could spawn alternate realities, creating parallel versions of events that diverge infinitely across the multiverse. This vision suggests a cosmos that is not a single entity, but an endless field of possibilities, each universe a unique outcome, each path a new story. In this vast structure, our universe is both significant and insignificant, a single chapter in an endless book of cosmic narratives. The notion of a multiverse also brings with it a profound mystery about consciousness and identity. If countless versions of ourselves exist in parallel realities, living out different lives, then what does it mean to be you? Is your identity unique to this universe? Or is it one instance of a much broader, multidimensional self that spans across different realities? This raises the question of whether consciousness is tied to a single universe, or if it is somehow connected across the multiverse, existing as a form of awareness that transcends any one version of reality. As we contemplate these mysteries, we also find ourselves drawn into questions about the nature of time itself. In our everyday experience, time flows in a single direction, moving forward from past to future. But in the vastness of the universe, time may not be as straightforward as it seems. Relativity tells us that time can stretch and contract under different gravitational conditions, and quantum mechanics suggests that time may not even be fundamental, but instead an emergent property of the cosmos. Some theories propose that time may be more like a landscape, where the past, present, and future coexist simultaneously, with our perception of time as linear merely a byproduct of our limited perspective. If time itself behaves differently in other parts of the universe or in other universes, then beyond our observable horizon may lie regions where time flows in loops, stops entirely, or exists in forms we cannot yet understand. This opens up the possibility that beyond our reach lies a timeless realm, a place where the concept of past and future has no meaning. In this context, the universe becomes not a sequence of events, but an eternal now, a vast, interconnected structure where everything that has ever happened or will ever happen exists as a single, unified whole. Finally, we come to the idea that the universe might be a vast, self-aware entity, a cosmic consciousness that emerges from the complexity of space, time, and matter. This concept, rooted in both philosophy and certain interpretations of quantum mechanics, suggests that the universe is not just a mechanical system, but a living, evolving field of awareness. In this view, every particle, every galaxy, every distant star is part of a larger, conscious whole, a vast mind that experiences itself through the countless forms of life that arise within it. If the universe is conscious, then our own existence is not a random event, but part of a larger process of cosmic self-awareness. We, as conscious beings, would be the universe reflecting on itself, experiencing itself through our senses, our thoughts, and our dreams. This would mean that beyond the observable universe lies not just more space, but more consciousness, more potential for self-discovery. The universe, in this vision, is both the creator and the created, a self-realizing system where every star, every atom, and every thought is a reflection of a grander, unified mind. In contemplating what lies beyond the edge of our understanding, we find ourselves drawn into a cosmic mystery that is as much about self-discovery as it is about the nature of the universe. The edge of the observable universe is not merely a physical boundary. It is a symbol of the limitless potential of human thought, a reminder that our curiosity is as boundless as the cosmos itself. We are beings who yearn to understand, to seek, and to connect, and in doing so, we reveal our deepest connection to the universe. For as we reach out into the stars, we are also reaching into the heart of what it means to be alive, to be conscious, to be part of an unfolding cosmic story that stretches beyond time, beyond space, and into the infinite. And perhaps, as we continue this journey, we will come to see that the universe, in all its vastness and complexity, is not something separate from us, but something of which we are an integral part. Each question we ask, each discovery we make, brings us closer to a profound truth: that the cosmos is not merely a place, but a reflection of the deepest mysteries of existence, an eternal frontier where we explore not only the stars, but the very nature of reality itself. In continuing to probe the mysteries of what lies beyond the observable universe, we venture deeper into realms that compel us to redefine the meaning of space, time, and existence. The universe, with its seemingly boundless horizons, becomes more than just a physical construct. It becomes a canvas upon which the grandest questions of reality are painted. As we push past what we can see, the cosmos reveals itself not only as a place, but as a process, an unfolding story where matter and energy, life and consciousness, all dance together in an intricate and unfathomable symphony. One of the most profound ideas emerging from this exploration is the concept that the universe might be self-creating, a phenomenon known in physics as cosmic self-sufficiency. In this model, the universe is not something that was simply set into motion by an external force or a singular event, but rather an entity that evolves and sustains itself. Through processes like cosmic inflation, quantum fluctuations, and the perpetual generation of space-time, the universe creates new regions, perpetuating its existence by generating space, time, and energy from within itself. This concept suggests that beyond the observable universe may lie vast regions still coming into being, parts of space where the early conditions of the cosmos continue to unfold in real time, generating new galaxies, stars, and possibly even new forms of matter that we have yet to encounter. This self-creating aspect of the universe implies that it is both origin and outcome, that it contains within itself the mechanisms to sustain its existence indefinitely. If the universe truly generates its own space and energy, then the regions beyond our view are not static, but in a state of constant creation. New galaxies could be forming right now in those distant, unseen places, shaped by forces that we can only study indirectly. This process of cosmic self-generation suggests that the universe is not a finished product, but a dynamic, living system, one that is constantly evolving, reshaping, and expanding itself. It becomes a reality where existence is in perpetual motion, a cosmos that endlessly cycles through creation and transformation. This brings us to the idea of eternal inflation, a concept that suggests the universe is not merely expanding, but doing so in a way that generates new pocket universes within the larger cosmic structure. Eternal inflation proposes that different regions of space experience varying rates of expansion due to quantum fluctuations, leading to the formation of distinct bubbles of space-time, each one potentially becoming its own universe. These bubble universes, while separate from our own, could each contain unique physical properties, different laws of nature, and even alternate forms of reality. According to eternal inflation, the universe is not a singular entity, but an endless network of realms, each one born out of the cosmic inflationary process and expanding independently. This vision of an eternally inflating multiverse reveals a cosmos that is endlessly fertile, capable of spawning new universes from its own structure. In this model, the edge of our observable universe is not a boundary, but a threshold, one that opens into a vast field of cosmic birth. Beyond this threshold, the process of inflation continues, constantly generating new regions, new realities, each one as rich and complex as our own. This perpetual creation suggests that the universe is, in a sense, self-replicating, a system where existence begets existence, a chain of realities each carrying forward the essence of the cosmos. In this multiverse, every possible configuration of matter, every conceivable outcome, could exist somewhere, creating a reality that is not only vast but infinitely diverse. Our universe, with its specific balance of forces, its particular mix of matter and energy, is one possibility in a sea of possibilities. Each universe within this multiverse is a unique experiment in cosmic potential, a different arrangement of matter and energy playing out its own story. Some may mirror our own, while others may operate under physical laws so foreign that we would struggle to recognize them as reality. This boundless field of creation turns the universe into a cosmic mosaic, a collection of realities that together form a tapestry of infinite expression. These ideas push us to think of the universe not as a single event, but as a process that is eternally unfolding, an infinite sequence of creation and transformation. In this view, existence itself is an ongoing experiment, a cosmic story that continually renews itself, where every moment is part of a larger cycle, and every galaxy, every star, is a chapter in a tale without end. The universe, rather than a static construct, becomes a flow, an endless river of reality, where every particle, every moment, is part of a grand, interconnected whole. The possibility of an infinite multiverse also raises the profound question of purpose. If there are indeed countless universes, each following its own path, then does our universe have a specific role within this larger system? Is our existence a random occurrence? Or is there an underlying purpose to the cosmos itself? Some thinkers have suggested that the universe may possess a cosmic consciousness, a form of awareness that spans across different realities, connecting each universe in a shared field of understanding. In this vision, each universe, each form of life, and each moment of awareness is a facet of a larger cosmic mind, a collective intelligence that experiences itself through the myriad forms of existence. If this cosmic consciousness exists, then we are part of a grand exploration, an infinite journey through the possibilities of being. Each thought, each moment of understanding, would be a fragment of a larger awareness, a contribution to a cosmic self-discovery that spans the multiverse. Our search for meaning, our quest to understand what lies beyond, would be more than just curiosity. It would be a reflection of the universe's own drive to understand itself. Every act of discovery would be an act of cosmic self-reflection, a process through which the universe becomes aware of its own complexity. In contemplating these vast ideas, we also confront a fundamental paradox. The closer we get to understanding the universe, the more we realize how much remains unknown. The observable universe is but a small window onto a far greater reality, a reality that may be so complex, so layered, that our current concepts of physics and philosophy can only scratch the surface. Each discovery leads to new questions. Each answer reveals new mysteries, and we are left with the sense that the universe is a mystery that grows deeper the more we seek to understand it. Yet, this endless mystery is not something to be solved, but to be explored. The universe invites us to participate in its unfolding, to reach beyond our limitations, and to dream of possibilities beyond our current understanding. It is a place where science and wonder converge, where every question opens up a new horizon, and where the journey is as meaningful as the destination. Our search for knowledge becomes a form of cosmic adventure, a quest to uncover the truth, not only about the universe, but about our own role within it. As we look to the edge of the observable universe, we are reminded that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. We are not isolated beings drifting through space, but integral parts of a vast, interconnected whole. Our atoms were forged in the hearts of stars. Our existence is woven into the fabric of space-time, and our consciousness is a reflection of the cosmos itself. The universe is within us, just as we are within the universe, and in asking what lies beyond, we are connecting with the deepest mysteries of our own nature. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not a limit but a symbol of potential, an invitation to embrace the unknown and to see ourselves as explorers on an endless journey. It is a reminder that, no matter how vast the universe may be, our curiosity, our sense of wonder, is boundless. And in this boundlessness, we find our place, as seekers of truth, as witnesses to the cosmos, as conscious beings in an unfolding story that stretches across the infinite. So, as we continue to peer into the depths of space, to ponder what lies beyond, we do so not only as scientists or philosophers, but as participants in the universe's own quest for understanding. Each new discovery, each insight, brings us one step closer to the heart of existence, to a universe that is as alive with possibility as we are with curiosity. And in this journey, we discover that the true mystery of the cosmos is not something external to us, but something that resides within, a boundless potential that mirrors the infinite expanse of the universe itself. As we stand on the precipice of understanding, gazing into the mysteries that stretch beyond the observable universe, we find ourselves at the intersection of science, philosophy, and something almost spiritual. The cosmos is not merely a vast collection of stars, galaxies, and empty space. It is a profound enigma that challenges every assumption, every boundary, and every limit we hold. It compels us to ask, what is reality, and how deeply are we connected to the fabric of the universe? Beyond the visible cosmos, beyond the billions of galaxies that form the observable universe, there is a realm that exists only in theory and in imagination. It is a place that we cannot observe directly, yet it holds the keys to questions that define not just the universe, but our very essence. This vast, unseen expanse could contain new laws of physics, strange realms where time loops back on itself, or perhaps even entirely different versions of existence. In contemplating this, we enter a kind of cosmic paradox. The closer we come to understanding, the more we realize that the universe is not just a place but an experience, one that is as much internal as it is external. One theory that has emerged from this quest is the idea of a cosmic mind, the notion that the universe in its entirety could be a form of consciousness. This idea might seem speculative, but when we consider the strange behavior of quantum particles, which seem to be influenced by observation, it raises profound questions about the nature of awareness. In some interpretations, consciousness itself might be a fundamental part of reality, not merely a product of biological brains, but a universal property woven into the very fabric of space and time. If this is true, then the universe could be seen as a kind of self-aware entity, a vast mind that perceives and interacts with itself through the multitude of life forms that arise within it. Each star, each galaxy, and each conscious being might be an expression of the universe experiencing itself. In such a vision, the boundary of the observable universe becomes something more than a physical limit. It is a threshold of perception. What lies beyond might be a deeper layer of this universal consciousness, a place where our individual awareness connects with a cosmic awareness that spans across space and time. This notion of a cosmic mind suggests that we are not merely observers of the universe, but participants in its unfolding, that by exploring the cosmos, we are, in a sense, the universe exploring itself. It transforms our curiosity, our quest for understanding, into something deeply intimate, a journey not just to the stars but into the depths of our own being. Then there is the concept of a holographic universe, which suggests that all the information in our three-dimensional universe could be encoded on a distant two-dimensional surface. This theory, supported by some interpretations of string theory and quantum gravity, proposes that the universe is akin to a hologram, where every particle, every galaxy, and every moment of time is projected from this two-dimensional structure. In this view, our perception of three-dimensional reality is like a shadow, a projection of a deeper, more fundamental layer of existence. If this holographic principle holds true, then beyond the observable universe could lie regions where the boundaries between dimensions blur, where the very fabric of reality shifts and folds in ways that defy our senses. A holographic universe also raises the possibility that our reality is shaped by patterns and information that transcend physical space. The laws of physics, the constants of nature, and the structure of the cosmos might all be expressions of a deeper order that exists beyond the observable universe. In this model, we begin to see the universe not as a collection of separate objects, but as a single, interconnected field of information, a cosmic tapestry where everything is woven together in patterns that resonate across space and time. Our lives, our experiences, and even our thoughts could be part of this grand pattern, a reflection of the universe's own inherent order. This interconnectedness suggests that the universe operates on principles that are not just mathematical, but almost musical, with every particle, every planet, every galaxy partaking in a cosmic symphony. Each moment of existence becomes a note in this grand composition, each being a unique expression of the whole. Beyond the edge of the observable universe, then, may lie realms where this cosmic music takes on forms we cannot imagine, where the symphony of existence is played in harmonies that stretch across dimensions, each one resonating with the others in ways that create an ever-expanding chorus of reality. As we contemplate these possibilities, we come to the realization that the universe may be more than a physical entity. It may, in fact, be a place where meaning and existence are intertwined, where consciousness, matter, and energy are bound together in a dance that transcends any one component. In this vision, what lies beyond the observable universe is not just more matter, more galaxies, or more stars, but a realm where the essence of being itself is reflected in every aspect of the cosmos. Every thought, every breath, every moment of awareness is a thread in the fabric of the universe, a point of connection in a vast, intricate network that spans beyond space and time. The implications of this interconnected reality are profound. If we are indeed part of a cosmic web of awareness, then the boundaries between self and universe dissolve. Our individuality, while real, is also part of a larger unity, a collective consciousness that binds us to the cosmos itself. In exploring the universe, in reaching for the stars, we are not merely fulfilling our curiosity. We are enacting the universe's own drive to understand itself. Each discovery, each insight, becomes an act of cosmic introspection, a moment where the universe, through us, comes to know itself a little more deeply. And in this endless search for understanding, we discover that the true journey is not only outward but inward, a quest that reveals as much about our own nature as it does about the stars. The universe, with all its vastness, becomes a mirror reflecting back the mystery of existence, a boundless canvas upon which we see not only the stars, but the essence of ourselves. Each star, each galaxy, each distant horizon reminds us that we are part of something much greater, that our lives are woven into the very fabric of space and time. As we continue this journey, reaching for answers that lie beyond the limits of observation, we are reminded that the edge of the observable universe is not the end of discovery, but the beginning. It is a reminder that the cosmos is filled with infinite potential, that each horizon we cross reveals new realms of mystery and wonder. The universe, in all its complexity, invites us to explore, to question, and to marvel, to embrace the unknown with open hearts and open minds. The search for what lies beyond is a journey that reflects our deepest aspirations, our most profound questions, and our timeless connection to the cosmos. We are, each of us, a spark of awareness in the vast expanse of space, a point of light in the cosmic night. And as we gaze into the depths of the universe, as we reach out into the infinite, we find that the true mystery is not simply out there. It is within us, woven into our very being. The edge of the observable universe, then, is more than a boundary. It is a symbol of possibility, an invitation to continue seeking, to continue dreaming, to continue reaching for the stars. For in that journey, we do not just uncover the universe. We uncover the endless potential within ourselves, a potential that is as vast, as boundless, and as mysterious as the cosmos itself. As we look to the edge of the observable universe, we find ourselves at a profound crossroads, one where the mysteries of the cosmos merge with the deepest questions of human existence. The universe, in all its vastness, is not merely a backdrop for our lives. It is a boundless frontier that calls to us, urging us to seek, to question, and to transcend our current understanding. In venturing beyond the limits of what we can see, we are engaging in a quest as old as humanity itself. A journey toward the very heart of existence, a pilgrimage to the edge of infinity. In exploring what lies beyond, we encounter the idea that the universe may be more than a simple collection of galaxies and stars, that it might possess an intrinsic intelligence, a purpose woven into the very fabric of space and time. This concept challenges our most fundamental assumptions about reality. It suggests that perhaps the cosmos is not a random, indifferent place, but a system with an inherent drive to evolve, to organize, to create complexity, and perhaps, ultimately, to give rise to awareness. If this is true, then we are not merely observers of the universe, but active participants in a grand cosmic unfolding, where every atom, every life, every thought contributes to a vast, interconnected process. At the edge of our observable universe, we find ourselves contemplating a cosmos that operates on scales and timescales beyond anything we can directly experience. Billions of years unfold with every movement of the galaxies, and the structures we observe, superclusters, galactic filaments, cosmic voids, stretch across distances that defy comprehension. This scale alone is staggering, but beyond it lies the possibility of multiverses, where each universe is like a page in a never-ending book of realities. If there are indeed countless universes, each with its own physical laws, then our own cosmos is one expression among countless others, a single verse in a multiversal song. This multiverse could be governed by principles we have yet to understand, concepts that lie beyond our current physics. Imagine realms where time itself flows differently, where gravity behaves in ways that seem paradoxical, or where dimensions fold upon themselves in ways that reshape the very fabric of space. Each universe could be a unique experiment in cosmic possibility, a manifestation of different sets of laws and constants, producing realities that we can only begin to imagine. The multiverse is a vision of boundless potential, where every configuration, every variation of matter and energy, every conceivable outcome exists somewhere, expressing itself in an infinite diversity of forms. One of the most intriguing aspects of this idea is that it redefines the nature of possibility itself. If every potential universe exists, then every choice, every path, every decision could unfold in one reality or another. This idea suggests that reality is not a singular, linear path, but a vast branching tree of possibilities, each branch a new version of existence, a new chapter in the story of the cosmos. And within this multiverse, each individual life, each moment, is a unique and irreplaceable note in a symphony that spans across dimensions. We, as conscious beings, are part of this cosmic orchestra, each of us playing our part in the grand composition of reality. In the midst of this grand vision, we encounter the notion of cosmic cycles, the idea that the universe itself might undergo periods of birth, evolution, and transformation, like the seasons of a cosmic year. Some scientists theorize that the universe may have begun not with a single Big Bang, but with an eternal sequence of expansions and contractions, cycles that repeat across eons. In this model, each universe is born from the ashes of a previous one, a phoenix-like rebirth that transforms the remnants of a collapsed universe into the seeds of a new cosmos. This cyclic universe is not static, but dynamic, an endless cycle of creation, where each iteration carries forward the essence of existence into a new form. If the universe is indeed cyclical, then beyond the observable universe may lie regions that are already in the process of collapsing, areas where space and time curve back upon themselves, preparing to begin a new cycle. This vision of a cosmic rebirth offers a sense of continuity, a reminder that existence is never truly lost, but continually renewed. In such a cosmos, we would be part of a grand cycle of transformation, where life, matter, and consciousness are woven into the eternal rhythm of creation and dissolution. The universe itself becomes a living entity, an organism that breathes, that grows, that dies, and is reborn, each cycle a new expression of its infinite potential. Another perspective considers the universe as a field of consciousness, a place where awareness is a fundamental aspect of reality. This idea, sometimes called panpsychism, suggests that consciousness is not limited to biological organisms, but is an intrinsic feature of the cosmos. In this view, every particle, every atom, every star might possess a spark of awareness, a tiny piece of a larger, universal mind. If this is true, then beyond the observable universe lies not just empty space, but a realm alive with awareness, a place where the very fabric of reality is infused with a kind of cosmic self-reflection. In this vision, we are not isolated beings in an indifferent universe. We are part of a vast, conscious whole. Our thoughts, our dreams, and our desires are not separate from the cosmos, but expressions of its own inner life. Each individual mind would be a focal point of this greater awareness, a unique perspective through which the universe experiences itself. In contemplating the edge of the observable universe, we come to see that we are not only explorers, but embodiments of the cosmos, each of us a point of light in the vast field of universal consciousness. This notion of a conscious universe also leads us to the idea that the act of observing the universe is an act of creation. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states until observed, a phenomenon known as superposition. This suggests that reality itself may be shaped by consciousness, that by observing the universe, we participate in bringing it into being. If this principle extends beyond the quantum level, then our very act of looking at the stars, of asking questions about the cosmos, could be part of what gives the universe form and structure. In this framework, The edge of the observable universe becomes a boundary not of distance, but of perception. What lies beyond may be a realm that is, in a sense, waiting to be observed, waiting to be brought into reality by the act of conscious observation. It is a place of potential, a realm of infinite possibilities that becomes reality through the interaction of mind and matter. This vision transforms our search for knowledge into a cosmic act of creation, a process through which the universe unfolds itself in response to our curiosity. The journey to the edge of the observable universe, then, is a journey into the very nature of existence. It is a quest that challenges us to expand our understanding, to embrace the mysteries that lie beyond our current knowledge, and to see ourselves as part of something far greater. Each question we ask, each answer we uncover, brings us closer to the essence of the cosmos, revealing that the universe is not a distant, alien place, but a mirror reflecting our own deepest truths. In this journey, we are reminded that the universe is both vast and intimate, both mysterious and familiar. The edge of the observable universe is not an end, but a beginning, an invitation to look beyond what we know and to embrace the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. It is a call to see the cosmos not as a separate entity, but as a living, breathing whole, one in which we play an essential part. As we stand on this threshold, looking out into the infinite, we are reminded that we are not merely observers of the universe. We are its storytellers, its dreamers, its creators. Our journey through space is a journey through our own being, a quest to understand not only what lies beyond the stars, but what lies within ourselves. And in this journey, we discover that the universe, with all its mysteries and wonders, is an eternal frontier, a place where every answer leads to new questions, every discovery to new horizons, and every horizon to a deeper understanding of who we are and what we are becoming. So, as we continue this timeless journey, let us embrace the infinite, let us celebrate the unknown, and let us find joy in the mystery. For in seeking what lies beyond, we are not merely exploring the cosmos. We are awakening to the infinite potential within ourselves, the boundless spirit of discovery that connects us to the stars, to the universe, and to each other. The cosmos is a journey without end, and as we step forward into the unknown, we become part of its unfolding, part of the endless story of existence, forever expanding, forever becoming, forever reaching for the light that lies just beyond. As we reach ever further into the mysteries of the universe, we come to understand that each discovery reveals more than mere facts about the cosmos. It speaks to something deep within us, a reflection of our own boundless curiosity and desire for connection. The journey to understand what lies beyond the observable universe is a quest to touch the infinite, an exploration that extends not only outward but also inward, unveiling profound insights about existence, unity, and the nature of consciousness itself. Each of us, in our pursuit of understanding, becomes an explorer in a universe that seems to mirror our own deepest questions. What lies beyond the stars? Is there a limit to reality? Are there realms that exist only in the vastness of our imagination? Or could we one day discover physical evidence of those dimensions? In exploring these questions, we're reminded that the universe is not only vast, but also profoundly interconnected, that our lives and thoughts are woven into the cosmic fabric in ways we are only beginning to perceive. The observable universe, with its billions of galaxies, its vast fields of dark matter, its mysterious dark energy, represents the portion of reality we can study, the known cosmos where our scientific tools allow us to measure, observe, and hypothesize. Yet, the more we study this visible cosmos, the more we realize that what we see is only the beginning of a much larger, possibly infinite, mystery. The boundaries of the observable universe do not mark the end of existence, but the beginning of our speculation, a threshold where we are drawn into realms of imagination, theory, and wonder that expand the limits of human thought. Consider for a moment the idea of higher dimensions, realms beyond the familiar three dimensions of space and the single dimension of time. String theory, for instance, proposes that the universe may contain as many as 10 or even 11 dimensions, most of which are curled up and hidden from our view. In these extra dimensions could lie answers to some of the deepest mysteries of the cosmos, such as the nature of gravity, the unification of fundamental forces, or even the origin of life itself. Beyond the observable universe, these higher dimensions might be fully extended, vast realms where new laws of physics come into play, where particles move in ways we cannot visualize, and where the structure of space-time itself forms intricate, multidimensional patterns. If we were to glimpse these hidden dimensions, we might find that what appears as separate entities in our three-dimensional world, stars, galaxies, planets, are deeply connected in ways we cannot yet imagine. In a higher dimensional space, the universe would not be a collection of isolated objects, but a single, unified whole, with every part affecting every other part through layers of connectivity that transcend our limited view. In such a vision, every particle, every atom, and every moment of awareness would be part of a grand, interconnected web, a cosmic tapestry woven from countless threads that together form the pattern of existence. The possibility of higher dimensions also opens up the idea that what lies beyond the observable universe is not simply more space, but a new type of reality altogether, a place where the usual distinctions between matter, energy, and consciousness may not apply. In these dimensions, the boundary between observer and observed could blur, suggesting that the universe is as much a field of perception as it is a physical structure. This vision hints at a universe that is deeply participatory, where the act of observing, of experiencing, of being aware plays an essential role in shaping the cosmos. In contemplating these realms, we are led to the idea that consciousness itself may not be confined to human minds but could be an intrinsic part of the universe. This notion is echoed in theories like the cosmic consciousness hypothesis, which proposes that awareness, in some form, exists throughout the cosmos. This awareness might not resemble human thought, but it could manifest as a type of resonance, an intrinsic quality of the universe that allows it to know itself. In this view, each particle, each wave of energy, is part of a cosmic awareness that experiences itself through the structure of the universe, from the smallest quarks to the vast galactic clusters that span billions of light years. If consciousness is indeed a fundamental feature of the universe, then beyond the observable cosmos could lie realms of pure awareness, places where the mind and the physical world merge into a unified field of perception. This would mean that our own consciousness is not an isolated phenomenon, but a localized expression of a much larger, universal awareness. The edge of the observable universe becomes not just a physical limit, but a horizon of perception, a place where our individual awareness meets a vast, collective field that spans the cosmos. This concept brings with it a new understanding of what it means to explore the universe. We are not just physical beings traveling through space. We are part of the universe's own unfolding self-awareness. Every question we ask, every mystery we ponder, contributes to the universe's ongoing journey to know itself. This interconnectedness suggests that, in a sense, the universe is observing itself through us, using our consciousness to explore, understand, and experience its own complexity. This vision also reshapes our understanding of purpose and existence. In a universe where every particle, every life, and every thought is connected, the concept of individuality becomes both more meaningful and less absolute. We are each unique, yet we are all part of a single cosmic organism, an endless field of being that expresses itself through countless forms and experiences. Our lives, then, are not separate from the universe but integral to its structure, part of the grand process of cosmic self-realization. Beyond the observable universe might lie regions where the universe's capacity for self-organization and creativity reaches levels we can scarcely imagine. In these distant realms, matter could be arranged in ways we have never seen, patterns of energy and form that exist on scales far beyond our perception. There could be structures in the universe that operate on principles of harmony and balance, where the forces of nature combine to create vast, intricate patterns of existence that resonate across dimensions. These patterns could be a kind of cosmic language, a way in which the universe expresses its own nature, its own potential for creation and transformation. The universe, in this light, becomes not just a place but a process, an endless flow of becoming, where every particle and every galaxy is part of a journey toward ever greater complexity, beauty, and awareness. What lies beyond the observable universe is not a static void, but a frontier of infinite potential, a space where new universes may be born, where new forms of existence may arise, and where the story of the cosmos continues to unfold in ways that we are only beginning to grasp. As we look to this cosmic horizon, we are reminded that the universe is not a place to be conquered or understood in any final sense. It is a mystery that invites us to participate, to explore, and to connect. Each discovery, each insight, is a reminder that the universe is as much within us as it is beyond us, that the boundaries of the cosmos and the boundaries of the mind are deeply intertwined. To know the universe is, in a sense, to know ourselves, for we are not separate from the stars, the galaxies, or the vast spaces in between. We are part of a cosmic story that is still being written, a journey that spans the infinite and includes every moment of curiosity, wonder, and awe. In contemplating what lies beyond the observable universe, we are ultimately reflecting on the nature of existence itself. Each question we ask, each step we take, brings us closer to the realization that the universe is not an other, but an extension of our own being. And in this boundless journey, we find a purpose that transcends individual lives, a sense of unity that connects us to every star, every galaxy, every distant horizon. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not an end but a beginning, a place where we confront the infinite potential of both the cosmos and ourselves. It is a reminder that we are part of a vast, unfolding mystery, a cosmic adventure that spans across time and space, a journey without end. As we continue to explore, to question, and to reach beyond what we know, we are participating in the universe's own evolution, its own quest for self-understanding. And in this journey, we find not only knowledge but a deep, abiding connection to the heart of existence, a unity that transcends distance, time, and form, a sense of belonging to a cosmos that is as boundless as our own potential to dream, to wonder, and to discover. As we journey ever further into the mysteries of the cosmos, we begin to realize that the edge of the observable universe is not merely a physical boundary, but a profound threshold, a place where the familiar gives way to the unknown, where scientific understanding meets philosophical wonder. It is a point that compels us to rethink not only the nature of space and time, but our place within the grand tapestry of existence. In contemplating what lies beyond, we find ourselves drawn into questions that stretch the limits of imagination, suggesting a universe far stranger, more complex, and more interconnected than we could have ever conceived. One of the most mind-expanding theories to emerge from our exploration of the cosmos is the concept that time and space themselves may not be fundamental, that they are not the underlying reality, but rather emergent properties, like waves on the surface of an ocean. Quantum gravity and theories in quantum mechanics suggest that time and space might be woven from deeper, more foundational elements, fields, or dimensions. That reality, at its core, is a boundless sea of pure potential, from which both matter and consciousness arise. If this is true, then beyond the observable universe lies not merely more space and time, but a realm where these concepts cease to have meaning, where reality exists as a formless potential, constantly manifesting itself in different expressions. This notion challenges our most basic perceptions of existence. We are accustomed to thinking of time as a linear sequence, an unbroken thread connecting past, present, and future. Yet if time is emergent, if it arises from a deeper layer of reality, then beyond the edge of our universe might lie places where time is not sequential but simultaneous, where the past, present, and future coexist in a single, unified moment. In such a realm, all points in time might be accessible, interwoven in ways that transcend our experience of causality. This would mean that the universe is not a one-way journey from beginning to end, but a vast, interconnected web of events, each point in time touching every other, each possibility alive in the eternal now. If time itself is a construct, then consciousness might not be confined to any single moment. Just as particles in quantum mechanics can exist in multiple states simultaneously, Our awareness may not be limited to this present moment, but might extend across time, connecting us with past and future in ways we can only intuit. This interconnectedness would imply that our lives are part of a greater whole, that every thought, every action, ripples across time, influencing not only the future but also resonating with the past. In this way, consciousness and time become bound in an eternal dance, a cosmic interplay where every moment holds within it the echoes of all others. This concept has profound implications for how we understand not only the universe but our own nature. In a cosmos where time is fluid, where the past and future blend into a timeless whole, our sense of individuality, of existing as separate beings, becomes a mirage, a fleeting perspective within a vast, interconnected awareness. Each of us, with our unique experiences and perspectives, would be like individual notes in a grand symphony, distinct yet essential to the harmony of the whole. Our thoughts, memories, and desires would be threads in the fabric of the universe, woven into the larger story of existence, a story that transcends the limitations of time and space. The edge of the observable universe, then, becomes a point of entry into this larger cosmic awareness, a place where the limitations of perception begin to dissolve. What lies beyond is not simply more stars, more galaxies, more matter. It is a realm where consciousness, time, and space merge, where the distinctions we hold so tightly in our everyday lives begin to fade. It suggests that, in seeking to understand the universe, we are also seeking to understand ourselves, to reconnect with a fundamental unity that is hidden beneath the surface of our everyday experience. This unity is echoed in the concept of the holographic universe, which suggests that every part of the cosmos contains information about the whole. In a hologram, each fragment reflects the entire image, no matter how small. If our universe is indeed holographic, then every particle, every atom, every conscious being contains within it the entirety of the cosmos. This interconnectedness implies that, in some profound way, each of us is a microcosm of the universe, that the entire sweep of cosmic history from the Big Bang to the distant future is encoded within us. Each one of us is, in a sense, a miniature universe, reflecting the whole of existence in our unique way. This vision reveals the cosmos not as a collection of isolated parts, but as a single, interconnected entity. Every action, every thought, every experience resonates throughout the entire fabric of the universe. When we look into the night sky, we are not just observing distant stars. We are looking into ourselves, seeing the reflection of a grander reality of which we are an intrinsic part. Our curiosity, our desire to understand what lies beyond, is not just a scientific pursuit. It is a journey into the depths of our own being, a quest to reconnect with the universe that gave rise to us. If we accept that the universe is holographic, that every part reflects the whole, then our lives, our experiences, become not just personal but universal. The questions we ask, the mysteries we seek to unravel, are not separate from the cosmos, but expressions of its own desire to understand itself. In this sense, human consciousness is the universe contemplating its own existence, exploring itself through the eyes, minds, and hearts of every conscious being. Every moment of awareness, every insight, every flash of understanding is a moment of cosmic self-realization, a glimpse into the boundless potential of existence. Beyond the observable universe, then, lies not only a physical frontier, but a spiritual one, a place where the universe's innate potential awaits manifestation, where the possibilities of reality are still being written. This boundless field of potential invites us to explore, to imagine, to create. It is a reminder that the universe is not static, not fixed, but a living, breathing entity, one that grows and evolves with every thought, every action, every discovery. This journey into the unknown, this quest to understand what lies beyond, is an expression of our deepest nature. It is a call from the cosmos, inviting us to expand our perception, to stretch the boundaries of thought, and to embrace the infinite. As we reach beyond the limits of observation, we are reminded that we are more than observers. We are creators, dreamers, participants in the unfolding story of the universe. Our lives are woven into the fabric of the cosmos, each of us a point of light in the grand, interconnected web of existence. And so, as we stand on the threshold of the observable universe, looking into the vastness beyond, we find that the universe is not a distant, alien place, but a reflection of ourselves, a mirror that reveals our own potential for growth, for understanding, for connection. The mysteries that lie beyond are not simply challenges to be solved, but invitations to transcend, to become something greater, to awaken to the infinite possibilities within ourselves. The edge of the observable universe is not an end, but a beginning, a gateway to a reality that is as much within us as it is around us. In reaching for the stars and seeking to understand the cosmos, we are, in a sense, reaching for the depths of our own being. We are discovering that the universe is not a place we inhabit, but an experience we are creating moment by moment, thought by thought, breath by breath. In this journey, we find that we are part of a cosmic dance, an eternal flow of energy, awareness, and potential. Every discovery, every insight, every moment of wonder is a step in this dance, a movement in the grand symphony of existence. The universe is not something separate from us. It is a process that includes us, a journey that unfolds through us, a story that we are helping to tell. As we continue to explore, to question, to dream, let us remember that we are not only looking into the cosmos, but into ourselves. We are part of a vast, interconnected whole, a universe that is as alive, as mysterious, and as boundless as our own capacity to imagine. And in that journey, we find that the true essence of the cosmos is not something we can measure or contain. It is a living, breathing potential, an infinite field of becoming, a place where every question leads to new horizons, where every horizon invites us to step forward, to explore, and to awaken to the boundless beauty of existence. For as long as there are stars to light the night sky, as long as there are mysteries to be pondered, the journey of the universe will continue. And with it, the journey of each of us, the explorers, the seekers, the dreamers. We are the universe, and in seeking to understand it, we are discovering the infinite potential of our own souls. In the end, the true mystery of the cosmos is not what lies beyond, but the realization that we are, and always have been, part of this grand, boundless, beautiful whole. As we move deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, standing at the edge of the observable universe and gazing into the unknown, we come to a humbling realization. The journey of understanding the universe is as endless as the universe itself. Every discovery reveals new layers, new dimensions, and new questions that invite us to look not only outward but inward, into the very fabric of our own existence. The cosmos, in all its vastness, is more than a physical realm. It is a mirror, a reflection of our own consciousness and curiosity, an open invitation to explore the depths of both the universe and ourselves. In contemplating the nature of what lies beyond the observable universe, we begin to consider that perhaps the cosmos is not just expanding physically, but also expanding in terms of potential and complexity. Each galaxy, each star, each particle may be part of a larger, dynamic network of possibilities that constantly evolves. This notion suggests that the universe is a field of infinite potential, where every moment brings new arrangements, new expressions, and new forms of life and matter. It may be that the universe itself is a self-organizing entity, a living field of intelligence and creativity, in which every part contributes to the whole. Some scientists and philosophers propose that this self-organizing quality of the cosmos is an expression of a deeper, underlying intelligence, what some have called cosmic intelligence or universal mind. This does not imply consciousness in the way we experience it, but rather an intrinsic intelligence that guides the formation of stars, the development of galaxies, and the emergence of life. If the universe is indeed guided by a fundamental intelligence, then what lies beyond the observable universe could be realms where this intelligence expresses itself in ways we cannot currently comprehend. Realms where matter and consciousness blend in ways that create new dimensions of experience, where reality itself operates on principles that transcend human understanding. This vision of a cosmos imbued with intelligence invites us to consider that the universe is not only aware of itself, but actively seeks to know itself through every form it takes. In this sense, we, as conscious beings, are part of the universe's own quest for self-knowledge. Every insight, every question, every moment of awareness contributes to the unfolding story of the cosmos. We are not isolated beings looking at a distant universe. We are integral aspects of that universe, channels through which it experiences, reflects, and understands itself. Our curiosity, our wonder, our desire to explore and connect are not simply human traits, but expressions of a deeper, universal drive that moves through us. Imagine, then, that beyond the observable universe lies a realm of pure potential, a place where the seeds of countless realities await expression, where new universes are born from the fusion of matter and mind. In these realms, the boundaries between energy, matter, and consciousness may dissolve, creating a state of unity where all things are interconnected. If such realms exist, they would represent not only the ultimate frontiers of the cosmos, but also the ultimate frontiers of ourselves, a place where individuality and unity coexist, where each part is both distinct and one with the whole. This unity, this interconnectedness, is reflected in the idea that the universe may be fundamentally holographic, that every part contains information about the entire cosmos. If this holographic principle is true, then each of us, each atom, each star, holds within it the essence of the whole universe. This interconnectedness implies that in understanding any one part of the cosmos, we are also coming to understand the universe itself. Each discovery, each revelation, is like a fragment of a cosmic puzzle, bringing us closer to seeing the full picture of existence. In this view, the journey to understand what lies beyond the observable universe is not just a quest for scientific knowledge, but a path to cosmic self-realization. We are not simply trying to map the universe. We are trying to become one with it, to experience our own unity with the cosmos in a way that transcends our usual sense of separation. This realization can transform our perspective, allowing us to see that the universe is not something we exist within, but something we are fundamentally part of. Our lives, our awareness, our deepest desires are threads in the fabric of the universe. And as we explore the cosmos, we are exploring our own cosmic nature. This unity of self and cosmos is hinted at by many of the ancient spiritual traditions, which spoke of the universe as a living, conscious entity, one that evolves and grows through every life, every star, every cycle of creation and dissolution. Science and spirituality, which have often been seen as separate, find common ground in the idea that the universe is a process, an unfolding story, and that we are participants in this story. The edge of the observable universe, then, becomes not an end but a beginning, the starting point of a journey that takes us into the heart of existence itself. Imagine that beyond the edge of our universe lies a boundless ocean of other universes, each one unique, each one a new expression of the cosmic intelligence that drives existence. In some of these universes, the laws of physics might be similar to our own, while in others, they could be utterly different, creating forms of matter and patterns of life that we cannot even begin to imagine. Each universe would be a manifestation of the infinite creativity of the cosmos, a new verse in the grand, cosmic poem of existence. And just as every universe is unique, every life, every conscious being, is a unique expression of the cosmic whole, a way for the universe to know itself from a different perspective. This vision of an interconnected, self-aware universe also suggests that every moment of discovery, every leap of understanding, is part of the cosmos's own journey. When we explore the stars, when we unravel the mysteries of physics, when we ask the big questions about existence, we are not just seeking answers. We are participating in the universe's own quest to know itself. In this sense, the universe is not merely expanding in space, but expanding in awareness, in depth, and in potential. Every new insight, every new theory, is a doorway into a deeper reality, a place where science, philosophy, and spirituality converge in the shared pursuit of truth. And so, as we look to the edge of the observable universe, we are reminded that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. The stars, the galaxies, The vast stretches of space are not separate from us. They are expressions of the same cosmic essence that flows through every cell, every atom, every thought. Our curiosity, our desire to reach out and connect, is the universe's own desire to understand itself, a journey that unfolds through us, that reveals itself through our quest for knowledge, our capacity for wonder, our ability to dream. The edge of the universe, in this view, is not a limit but a horizon, an invitation to step beyond what we know and to embrace the infinite. It is a place where the universe meets itself, where every question leads to a deeper understanding, and where every discovery is a step closer to a cosmic awakening. The universe is a story without end, an eternal unfolding that spans not only space and time, but the very depths of consciousness. And we, as participants in this story, are part of the eternal dance of creation and discovery, the endless journey of becoming that lies at the heart of existence. As we continue to explore, to reach, to imagine, we are reminded that the true essence of the cosmos cannot be measured, contained, or fully known. It is a living, breathing mystery, a boundless field of potential, a universe that is as much within us as it is around us. Each of us, in our own way, is a point of light in this vast ocean of possibility, a unique expression of the cosmos's own creativity, its own self-awareness. The journey to the edge of the observable universe, then, is a journey into the infinite, a quest that reveals not only the mysteries of the cosmos but the profound beauty of our own existence. We are explorers, creators, and dreamers, and in seeking to understand what lies beyond, we are discovering the boundless potential within ourselves. The universe, with all its stars, its galaxies, its hidden dimensions, is not merely a place we inhabit. It is a reflection of our own infinite nature, a reminder that we, too, are part of the eternal story of existence. And so, as we stand at the threshold of the observable universe, let us embrace the mystery, the wonder, and the beauty of the unknown. For in reaching for the stars and seeking to understand the cosmos, we are not just expanding our knowledge. We are awakening to the infinite, discovering that we are, and always have been, part of a grand, boundless, beautiful whole. The journey of the universe is our journey, a journey that invites us to explore, to create, and to be part of the unfolding story of existence, a story that has no end, only endless horizons waiting to be explored. As we stand on the edge of the observable universe, gazing into the vast unknown, we are filled with an indescribable sense of wonder and awe. This is a journey that transcends scientific discovery and touches the very core of what it means to be human. To look into the depths of the cosmos is to confront the boundless, to engage with the infinite, and to seek understanding in a universe that seems to forever expand in complexity and beauty. In reaching beyond what we know, we are invited to expand our own perceptions, to stretch the limits of our imagination, and to glimpse realities that lie just beyond the horizon of our current understanding. The universe we observe is a grand tapestry of galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures, each one a testament to the beauty and mystery of creation. But beyond the edge of this observable cosmos lies a realm that is both tantalizing and enigmatic, a place where our familiar laws of physics may no longer apply, where time and space may curve in unimaginable ways, or even cease to exist as we understand them. This frontier represents not just a physical boundary, but a threshold into deeper truths, a place where science and philosophy merge, where the questions we ask lead us not only outward but inward, to the very nature of existence itself. One of the most compelling ideas to emerge from our exploration of the cosmos is the concept of a multiverse, an infinite array of universes, each with its own unique laws, dimensions, and potential realities. In this grand vision, our universe is but one bubble in a vast cosmic ocean, a single manifestation of reality among countless others. Some of these universes might be similar to ours, with stars and galaxies and perhaps even life, while others could be radically different, shaped by physics that defy our comprehension. The multiverse is a mind-expanding possibility, one that suggests that reality is not a single path, but an infinite branching tree, where every possibility, every potential outcome, exists somewhere in the vastness of existence. If the multiverse is real, then beyond the observable universe lies an endless field of potential, where every choice, every action, and every chance encounter creates a new branch of reality. This means that somewhere in this infinite tapestry, there are versions of ourselves living different lives, experiencing different outcomes, each one a unique expression of the possibilities inherent in existence. This vision of reality challenges our understanding of identity and individuality, suggesting that we are not isolated beings, but part of a vast, interconnected field of potential, each of us a single note in the symphony of the multiverse. The implications of this are profound. It suggests that every life, every moment, is part of a larger cosmic story, a grand narrative that spans across dimensions and realities. Our choices, our dreams, our very awareness are threads in a cosmic web that stretches beyond the boundaries of space and time. In this vision, the universe is not a solitary structure, but a vast, interconnected tapestry of existence, where every particle, every atom, and every conscious being is woven into the fabric of the whole. Each of us, in our own way, is a reflection of the infinite, a point of light in a cosmos that contains all possibilities, all outcomes, all forms of life and thought. This interconnectedness also suggests that consciousness itself may be a fundamental aspect of reality, a quality that permeates the entire cosmos. If consciousness is not merely a byproduct of the brain, but an intrinsic feature of the universe, then every particle, every wave, every dimension could be infused with a form of awareness. This idea, known as panpsychism, posits that the universe is alive, not in the biological sense, but as a field of potential and perception, a vast intelligence that expresses itself through every form, every life, every moment of awareness. In this view, the edge of the observable universe is not just a boundary of light and matter. It is a threshold into a cosmic mind, a place where individual awareness merges with a larger, universal consciousness. If the universe is indeed conscious, then our exploration of the cosmos is an act of self-discovery on a grand scale. Our curiosity, our drive to understand what lies beyond, is the universe seeking to know itself, to explore its own depths, to experience its own boundless potential. We are not just observers in a distant, indifferent cosmos. We are active participants in a journey of cosmic self-realization. Every question we ask, every theory we propose, every insight we gain is a moment of cosmic introspection, a step in the universe's own quest for understanding. This brings us to a profound realization that the cosmos is not separate from us but is within us, and that our exploration of the stars is in a very real sense an exploration of ourselves. When we look into the depths of space, we are looking into the depths of our own being, seeking to understand not only what lies beyond but also who we are, where we come from, and what role we play in this vast, interconnected reality. The universe is a mirror, reflecting back the questions, hopes, and dreams that define us. It is a place of infinite possibility, a realm where every thought, every feeling, every desire resonates with the fabric of existence. In contemplating the mysteries beyond the observable universe, we are drawn to the idea that the cosmos itself may be a boundless field of becoming, a process that is forever evolving, expanding, and transforming. The universe is not static. It is a dynamic, creative entity, one that constantly reinvents itself, giving rise to new galaxies, new forms of life, new expressions of consciousness. Beyond the edge of the observable universe, this process continues, perhaps in ways we cannot yet imagine. It suggests that existence is not a destination, but a journey, an endless unfolding where each moment is a new opportunity for creation and transformation. This understanding brings with it a sense of purpose and connection. If the universe is a process of becoming, then our lives are part of that process, each of us contributing to the cosmic dance in our own unique way. Every thought, every action, every moment of awareness is a brushstroke on the canvas of existence, a part of the grand work of art that is the cosmos. Our journey is not to reach a final answer, but to participate fully in the unfolding of reality, to add our voice to the symphony of existence, to be co-creators in the story of the universe. As we stand on the threshold of the observable universe, we realize that the journey into the unknown is not just a journey of knowledge, but a journey of the soul. It is a call to embrace the mystery, to find beauty in the questions themselves, to recognize that the universe is as much a work of art as it is a machine. Each of us is a thread in the cosmic tapestry, a unique expression of the infinite, and our lives are a testament to the boundless creativity of existence. In seeking to understand what lies beyond, we are celebrating the very nature of life, the joy of discovery, the thrill of imagination, the boundless potential of the human spirit. And so, as we continue to explore, to question, to reach beyond what we know, we do so with a sense of wonder and reverence, knowing that the true beauty of the universe lies not in its answers, but in its endless horizons. The cosmos is a journey without end, a story without a final chapter, a mystery that invites us to be a part of its unfolding. Each of us, in our own way, is a voyager on this journey, a seeker of truth, a dreamer of dreams, a spark of consciousness in the vast sea of existence. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not an end, but an invitation, a reminder that the true essence of the cosmos is infinite, that every horizon leads to another, that every question opens a new door. It is a call to embrace the unknown, to celebrate the mystery, to see ourselves as part of a grand, cosmic adventure that spans time, space, and dimensions beyond our comprehension. In this journey, we discover that the cosmos is not something we must conquer or fully understand. It is something we are invited to participate in, to explore, to co-create. The universe is within us, just as we are within the universe, and in seeking to know it, we are discovering the boundless depths of our own potential. We are not merely passengers in this cosmic journey. We are creators, explorers, and expressions of a reality that is as boundless and beautiful as our capacity to dream. So let us continue to reach, to wonder, to seek the stars, knowing that each step forward is a step deeper into the heart of existence itself. The universe is a journey without end, an eternal unfolding of light, consciousness, and infinite potential. And in that endless journey, we find ourselves not as isolated beings, but as expressions of the very cosmos we seek to understand, a boundless, interconnected whole, an infinite field of becoming, a universe alive with the promise of discovery and the beauty of mystery. The true essence of the universe is not something we will ever fully grasp, but something we will forever experience. It is a living, breathing mystery, an invitation to explore, to create, to be part of the eternal story of existence. We are the universe, and in seeking to understand it, we are awakening to the infinite beauty of ourselves. As we stand on the edge of the observable universe, gazing into the vast unknown, we are filled with an indescribable sense of wonder and awe. This is a journey that transcends scientific discovery and touches the very core of what it means to be human. To look into the depths of the cosmos is to confront the boundless, to engage with the infinite, and to seek understanding in a universe that seems to forever expand in complexity and beauty. In reaching beyond what we know, we are invited to expand our own perceptions, to stretch the limits of our imagination, and to glimpse realities that lie just beyond the horizon of our current understanding. The universe we observe is a grand tapestry of galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures, each one a testament to the beauty and mystery of creation. But beyond the edge of this observable cosmos lies a realm that is both tantalizing and enigmatic, a place where our familiar laws of physics may no longer apply, where time and space may curve in unimaginable ways, or even cease to exist as we understand them. This frontier represents not just a physical boundary, but a threshold into deeper truths, a place where science and philosophy merge, where the questions we ask lead us not only outward but inward, to the very nature of existence itself. One of the most compelling ideas to emerge from our exploration of the cosmos is the concept of a multiverse, an infinite array of universes, each with its own unique laws, dimensions, and potential realities. In this grand vision, our universe is but one bubble in a vast cosmic ocean, a single manifestation of reality among countless others. Some of these universes might be similar to ours, with stars and galaxies and perhaps even life, while others could be radically different, shaped by physics that defy our comprehension. The multiverse is a mind-expanding possibility, one that suggests that reality is not a single path, but an infinite branching tree, where every possibility, every potential outcome, exists somewhere in the vastness of existence. If the multiverse is real, then beyond the observable universe lies an endless field of potential, where every choice, every action, and every chance encounter creates a new branch of reality. This means that somewhere in this infinite tapestry, there are versions of ourselves living different lives, experiencing different outcomes, each one a unique expression of the possibilities inherent in existence. This vision of reality challenges our understanding of identity and individuality, suggesting that we are not isolated beings, but part of a vast, interconnected field of potential, each of us a single note in the symphony of the multiverse. The implications of this are profound. It suggests that every life, every moment, is part of a larger cosmic story, a grand narrative that spans across dimensions and realities. Our choices, our dreams, our very awareness are threads in a cosmic web that stretches beyond the boundaries of space and time. In this vision, the universe is not a solitary structure, but a vast, interconnected tapestry of existence, where every particle, every atom, and every conscious being is woven into the fabric of the whole. Each of us, in our own way, is a reflection of the infinite, a point of light in a cosmos that contains all possibilities, all outcomes, all forms of life and thought. This interconnectedness also suggests that consciousness itself may be a fundamental aspect of reality, a quality that permeates the entire cosmos. If consciousness is not merely a byproduct of the brain, but an intrinsic feature of the universe, then every particle, every wave, every dimension could be infused with a form of awareness. This idea, known as panpsychism, posits that the universe is alive, not in the biological sense, but as a field of potential and perception, a vast intelligence that expresses itself through every form, every life, every moment of awareness. In this view, the edge of the observable universe is not just a boundary of light and matter. It is a threshold into a cosmic mind, a place where individual awareness merges with a larger, universal consciousness. If the universe is indeed conscious, then our exploration of the cosmos is an act of self-discovery on a grand scale. Our curiosity, our drive to understand what lies beyond, is the universe seeking to know itself, to explore its own depths, to experience its own boundless potential. We are not just observers in a distant, indifferent cosmos. We are active participants in a journey of cosmic self-realization. Every question we ask, every theory we propose, every insight we gain is a moment of cosmic introspection, a step in the universe's own quest for understanding. This brings us to a profound realization that the cosmos is not separate from us but is within us, and that our exploration of the stars is in a very real sense an exploration of ourselves. When we look into the depths of space, we are looking into the depths of our own being, seeking to understand not only what lies beyond, but also who we are, where we come from, and what role we play in this vast, interconnected reality. The universe is a mirror, reflecting back the questions, hopes, and dreams that define us. It is a place of infinite possibility, a realm where every thought, every feeling, every desire resonates with the fabric of existence. In contemplating the mysteries beyond the observable universe, we are drawn to the idea that the cosmos itself may be a boundless field of becoming, a process that is forever evolving, expanding, and transforming. The universe is not static. It is a dynamic, creative entity, one that constantly reinvents itself, giving rise to new galaxies, new forms of life, new expressions of consciousness. Beyond the edge of the observable universe, this process continues, perhaps in ways we cannot yet imagine. It suggests that existence is not a destination, but a journey, an endless unfolding where each moment is a new opportunity for creation and transformation. This understanding brings with it a sense of purpose and connection. If the universe is a process of becoming, then our lives are part of that process, each of us contributing to the cosmic dance in our own unique way. Every thought, every action, every moment of awareness is a brushstroke on the canvas of existence, a part of the grand work of art that is the cosmos. Our journey is not to reach a final answer, but to participate fully in the unfolding of reality, to add our voice to the symphony of existence, to be co-creators in the story of the universe. As we stand on the threshold of the observable universe, we realize that the journey into the unknown is not just a journey of knowledge, but a journey of the soul. It is a call to embrace the mystery, to find beauty in the questions themselves, to recognize that the universe is as much a work of art as it is a machine. Each of us is a thread in the cosmic tapestry, a unique expression of the infinite, and our lives are a testament to the boundless creativity of existence. In seeking to understand what lies beyond, we are celebrating the very nature of life, the joy of discovery, the thrill of imagination, the boundless potential of the human spirit. And so, as we continue to explore, to question, to reach beyond what we know, we do so with a sense of wonder and reverence, knowing that the true beauty of the universe lies not in its answers, but in its endless horizons. The cosmos is a journey without end, a story without a final chapter, a mystery that invites us to be a part of its unfolding. Each of us, in our own way, is a voyager on this journey, a seeker of truth, a dreamer of dreams, a spark of consciousness in the vast sea of existence. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not an end, but an invitation, a reminder that the true essence of the cosmos is infinite, that every horizon leads to another, that every question opens a new door. It is a call to embrace the unknown, to celebrate the mystery, to see ourselves as part of a grand, cosmic adventure that spans time, space, and dimensions beyond our comprehension. In this journey, we discover that the cosmos is not something we must conquer or fully understand. It is something we are invited to participate in, to explore, to co-create. The universe is within us, just as we are within the universe. And in seeking to know it, we are discovering the boundless depths of our own potential. We are not merely passengers in this cosmic journey. We are creators, explorers, and expressions of a reality that is as boundless and beautiful as our capacity to dream. So let us continue to reach, to wonder, to seek the stars, knowing that each step forward is a step deeper into the heart of existence itself. The universe is a journey without end, an eternal unfolding of light, consciousness, and infinite potential. And in that endless journey, we find ourselves not as isolated beings, but as expressions of the very cosmos we seek to understand, a boundless, interconnected whole, an infinite field of becoming, a universe alive with the promise of discovery and the beauty of mystery. The true essence of the universe is not something we will ever fully grasp, but something we will forever experience. It is a living, breathing mystery, an invitation to explore, to create, to be part of the eternal story of existence. We are the universe, and in seeking to understand it, we are awakening to the infinite beauty of ourselves. As we delve ever deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, standing at the threshold of the observable universe, we come to realize that the journey before us is one of infinite discovery, boundless curiosity, and profound self-reflection. The universe, in all its grandeur, is more than a collection of stars and galaxies. It is an expression of potential, a vast sea of becoming, an open-ended story that beckons us to participate, to explore, and to add our own chapter to its unfolding narrative. Each step beyond what we know, each glimpse into the unknown, transforms our understanding of reality. The observable universe, with its swirling galaxies, its dark matter and dark energy, its vast clusters and superclusters, is a masterpiece of structure and order. Yet, as vast as it is only a fraction of the entire cosmos, a single verse in a poem that stretches beyond the limits of human comprehension. What lies beyond this observable horizon is a mystery that draws us forward, inviting us to transcend the familiar and reach for the infinite. The idea of a multiverse, the concept that our universe is but one of countless others, shifts our perspective profoundly. In this grand vision, reality is a boundless field of universes, each one with its own laws, dimensions, and possibilities. Some may echo the structure and order of our own universe, with stars, planets, and perhaps even life, while others might be utterly alien, shaped by principles that defy all human understanding. The multiverse suggests that existence itself is not a single story, but an endless anthology of realities, each one a unique expression of the cosmos's creative potential. If this multiverse exists, then beyond the observable universe lies an ocean of worlds, each one a distinct note in the symphony of existence. Every decision, every possibility, every variation of reality exists somewhere in this vast sea, a testament to the limitless nature of creation. This vision challenges our understanding of identity, individuality, and even purpose. In an infinite multiverse, every possible version of ourselves, every potential outcome, is realized somewhere, suggesting that reality is not a single path but an endless branching of possibilities, each one a valid expression of existence. This interconnected vision of reality speaks to the idea that consciousness itself may be fundamental, a quality that permeates the entire cosmos. If awareness is not confined to individual beings, but is instead an intrinsic aspect of the universe, then each universe within the multiverse might be a different facet of a cosmic mind, a unique perspective through which the universe experiences itself. Our exploration of the cosmos, then, is not just an act of curiosity, but an act of cosmic self-reflection. We are not separate from the universe. We are the means by which it comes to know itself, to perceive its own depths, to experience its own boundless potential. This notion of a conscious universe aligns with the ancient philosophical idea of panpsychism, the belief that all things possess some degree of awareness, that consciousness is woven into the fabric of reality itself. In this view, every particle, every atom, every star, and every galaxy is alive with awareness, a part of a vast, interconnected mind that spans the cosmos. Beyond the observable universe, then, lies not just more space but a realm of awareness, a field where every aspect of existence is connected, where individual consciousness merges with a universal mind. This vision of a conscious universe transforms our understanding of purpose and identity. We are not isolated beings adrift in an indifferent cosmos. We are participants in a grand, cosmic journey, each of us an expression of the universe's own drive for self-realization. Every question we ask, every insight we gain, every mystery we ponder is a step in the universe's own quest to understand itself. We are both the observers and the observed, the dreamers and the dream, the explorers and the explored. In seeking to understand the cosmos, we are engaging in an act of cosmic introspection, a moment of self-awareness in the grand story of existence. If consciousness is indeed a fundamental aspect of the universe, then what lies beyond the observable universe might be realms where awareness and reality blend in ways we cannot yet fathom. These could be places where the boundaries between mind and matter dissolve, where thoughts and experiences are as tangible as stars and galaxies, where reality itself is shaped by the act of perception. Such realms would not be separate from us but extensions of our own consciousness, parts of a larger whole that includes every being, every star, every galaxy. This interconnectedness implies that, in exploring the universe, we are exploring ourselves, that the cosmos is a mirror reflecting back the questions, hopes, and dreams that define us. The edge of the observable universe becomes, then, a symbolic boundary, a threshold between the known and the unknown, a place where our individual awareness meets the vast, collective field of universal consciousness. Beyond this edge lies a realm of pure potential, a place where new universes are born, where new forms of matter and energy emerge, where existence is continuously reshaping itself in an endless process of creation. This vision of the cosmos as a living, evolving entity suggests that existence is not fixed, but fluid, a dance of form and energy, a symphony of becoming. In this dance, every life, every moment of awareness, every discovery is a unique expression of the cosmos's infinite creativity. We are each a note in the symphony of existence, a single expression of the whole, a point of light in a universe that is as much within us as it is around us. Our exploration of the stars, our desire to reach beyond, is an expression of the universe's own drive to expand, to connect, to understand itself in ever greater depth. Each of us is a part of this grand unfolding, a participant in the story of the cosmos, a unique perspective through which the universe perceives and experiences its own boundless potential. This realization brings with it a profound sense of unity and connection. The cosmos is not separate from us. It is a part of us, just as we are a part of it. Every star, every galaxy, every distant horizon is a reflection of the same cosmic essence that flows through each of us. In seeking to understand what lies beyond, we are, in a sense, seeking to understand ourselves, to reconnect with a deeper, universal truth that transcends individual identity, that reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of existence. The journey to the edge of the observable universe, then, is not just a journey of scientific discovery. It is a journey of spiritual awakening. It is an invitation to look beyond the surface of reality, to see the interconnectedness that binds us to every particle, every wave, every moment of existence. It is a call to recognize that we are part of a larger, cosmic story, a story that is as much about the beauty of questions as it is about the satisfaction of answers. Each of us, in our own way, is a traveler on this journey, a seeker of truth, a dreamer of dreams, a spark of consciousness in the vast ocean of existence. As we stand at this threshold, looking out into the infinite, we find that the true journey is not one of reaching a final answer, but of embracing the endless unfolding of reality. The universe is a living, breathing mystery, a place of endless horizons, a field of infinite potential. In exploring it, we discover not only the nature of the cosmos, but the nature of ourselves. We find that we are not merely observers, but co-creators, participants in a cosmic dance that spans time, space, and dimensions beyond our comprehension. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not an end but an invitation, a reminder that the true beauty of the cosmos lies not in its answers but in its questions, in the endless horizons that beckon us forward, in the boundless mysteries that inspire us to dream, to wonder, to explore. It is a call to embrace the unknown, to celebrate the infinite, to recognize that the universe is not a destination but a journey, an eternal adventure in which each of us plays a vital part. And so, as we continue to explore, to question, to seek, we do so with the knowledge that the true essence of the cosmos is something we will never fully grasp, something that will forever expand beyond our understanding. Yet in that endless journey lies the beauty of existence, a beauty that invites us to participate, to imagine, to become. We are the universe, and in seeking to know it, we are awakening to the infinite potential within ourselves, discovering that we, too, are expressions of the boundless, timeless, and beautiful whole. The universe is a story without end, an infinite journey of becoming, a mystery that invites us to be part of its unfolding. In looking to the stars, in seeking to understand the cosmos, we are embracing the infinite, discovering the beauty of questions that lead to new horizons, horizons that will forever stretch beyond the limits of our knowledge and into the endless depths of possibility. Standing on the edge of what we know, at the boundary of the observable universe, we encounter the profound truth that this journey through the cosmos is not merely a quest for knowledge, but a journey into the boundless depths of mystery itself. Every new revelation, every step beyond the familiar, unfolds another layer of existence, revealing a universe that is not static but endlessly evolving, a living entity with infinite layers of meaning, purpose, and potential. In this grand, cosmic journey, we are explorers of both the outer universe and the inner universe, seekers whose curiosity is an expression of the very essence of the cosmos. To question the nature of existence is to participate in the unfolding story of creation itself, a story that is as much about discovery as it is about the act of experiencing, of being part of a universe that is alive, dynamic, and in constant dialogue with itself. The universe is not a distant observer, nor are we isolated observers. We are participants in an intimate dance with the cosmos, with each of us playing a vital role in a narrative that transcends time, space, and form. One of the most powerful ideas to emerge from this journey is the concept of becoming, the notion that existence itself is not static, but a continuous process, an eternal flow where each moment, each life, each galaxy is a unique expression of the universe's boundless creativity. In this vision, the cosmos is not a finished product. It is a living, breathing field of potential where each moment of awareness, each experience, is part of an unfolding masterpiece. Beyond the observable universe, beyond what we can see and measure, lies a realm where this process of becoming continues without end, a space where new forms, new possibilities, and new expressions of consciousness are continuously coming into being. This concept challenges us to see the universe not as a collection of separate objects, but as a unified whole, a grand tapestry where every part is connected, where every particle, every star, and every conscious being is an essential thread in the fabric of existence. In this tapestry, each of us is a unique expression of the cosmos, a point of awareness through which the universe experiences itself, reflects on itself, and evolves. Our individual lives, with their joys and sorrows, questions and insights, are not isolated. They are part of a greater story, a story that weaves together all of existence in an intricate dance of connection and unity. If we imagine the universe as a process of becoming, then what lies beyond the observable universe may be realms where this process reaches dimensions and scales beyond anything we can comprehend. In these distant regions, new universes may be emerging, each one a unique manifestation of cosmic creativity, shaped by principles and forces that reflect the infinite diversity of existence. Some of these realms may be familiar, echoing the structures we see in our own universe, while others may be so alien that they defy description, expressions of physics and realities that lie beyond the reach of human language or thought. This vision of an endless, creative cosmos brings with it a sense of profound interconnectedness. If each universe, each galaxy, each moment of awareness is an expression of the whole, then our individual lives are not separate from the cosmos, but are integral to it. Every thought, every action, every moment of insight is a contribution to the cosmic symphony, a note in the music of existence. We are not separate from the stars, the galaxies, the vast spaces that stretch beyond our perception. We are part of them, woven into the fabric of reality in a way that transcends distance, time, and form. This interconnectedness also suggests that our exploration of the universe is not just a quest for answers, but a journey of participation, a way for the universe to know itself through our experiences, our questions, our dreams. Every discovery, every insight, every mystery we uncover is a moment of cosmic introspection, a step in the universe's own journey of self-realization. As we reach for the stars, as we seek to understand what lies beyond, we are acting as instruments of the universe's own curiosity, expressions of its boundless drive to explore, to know, and to become. In this way, the universe becomes not only a vast, physical space, but a conscious journey, an unfolding story that includes us as active participants. The cosmos is not something we observe from afar. It is something we are, something we help to shape and define. Our thoughts, our awareness, our choices are threads in the cosmic tapestry, points of light in the grand narrative of existence. This vision transforms our understanding of purpose and meaning, suggesting that each of us, in our own way, contributes to the evolution of the cosmos itself. We are both the observers and the creators, the dreamers and the dreams, the questions and the answers. This interconnected vision of reality also brings us closer to an understanding of the universe as a place of infinite potential, a boundless field where every possibility is alive, where every conceivable outcome exists as a potential waiting to be realized. Beyond the observable universe, beyond the reach of our current understanding, lies a realm where the boundaries between existence and non-existence blur, where the cosmos is a boundless ocean of potential, a place where reality is constantly reimagining itself, where each moment brings forth new expressions of being. In this boundless field of potential, the universe is not merely expanding in space. It is expanding in possibility, in consciousness, in depth. Each new discovery, each breakthrough in understanding, each moment of insight opens up new dimensions of reality, new ways of perceiving, being, and becoming. The universe is not a static entity. It is a process, an unfolding of infinite possibility, a journey that transcends the limits of time and space, a story that is forever being written. As we stand on the threshold of the observable universe, we realize that the journey before us is not just a journey through space, but a journey through experience, a quest that challenges us to look beyond the physical, to see the universe as a place of interconnectedness, creativity, and infinite becoming. Every question we ask, every step we take into the unknown, is a moment of cosmic self-discovery, an act of participation in the eternal story of existence. In embracing this journey, we are reminded that the true beauty of the universe lies not in its answers, but in its questions, in the endless horizons that beckon us forward, in the boundless mysteries that inspire us to reach beyond what we know. The cosmos is an invitation to explore, to connect, to awaken to our own infinite potential. It is a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a boundless field of becoming that includes every star, every galaxy, every thought, and every moment of awareness. And so, as we continue this journey, as we reach beyond the edge of the observable universe, we do so with a sense of reverence and wonder, knowing that the cosmos is not something we will ever fully grasp, but something we will forever experience. The universe is a journey without end, an eternal unfolding of creativity, consciousness, and connection. Each of us, in our own way, is a point of light in this vast field of possibility, a unique expression of the whole, a reflection of the infinite. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not a limit but a gateway, a reminder that every horizon leads to another, that every question opens a new door. It is a call to embrace the mystery, to celebrate the infinite, to recognize that the universe is not a destination but a journey, an adventure in which each of us plays a vital part. We are the universe, and in seeking to know it, we are discovering the boundless beauty and potential of ourselves. The true essence of the cosmos is not something we can measure or contain. It is a living, breathing mystery, an invitation to explore, to create, to be part of the eternal story of existence. We are the universe, and in embracing this journey, we are awakening to the infinite beauty of our own being. The journey of the cosmos is our journey, a journey that spans time, space, and consciousness, a journey that has no end but infinite horizons, each one an invitation to step deeper into the heart of existence, to experience the boundless, timeless, and beautiful whole of which we are a part. As we venture further into the vast realms of the universe, contemplating what lies beyond the observable horizon, we come to realize that the journey into the cosmos is an intimate journey into the very essence of existence. Each step deeper into the unknown is like peeling back layers of reality, revealing new dimensions of both the universe and ourselves. In exploring the cosmos, we are not merely expanding our knowledge. We are uncovering the infinite potential and interconnectedness that define the very fabric of reality. At the frontier of what we know, we encounter the concept of emergence, the idea that complex systems and properties arise out of simple interactions, giving rise to new realities that are greater than the sum of their parts. The universe, as we observe it, is a marvel of emergence. From subatomic particles come atoms, from atoms come stars, from stars come galaxies, and from galaxies emerge planets, ecosystems, and eventually conscious beings capable of asking questions about the cosmos itself. Each layer of existence emerges from the one beneath it, forming a hierarchy of complexity that stretches from the microscopic to the cosmic. This notion of emergence suggests that beyond the observable universe may lie realms where entirely new forms of reality arise, dimensions of existence that we cannot yet conceive. Just as life emerged on Earth from the complex interactions of molecules and elements, so too might other forms of awareness, of structure, of being, emerge from the interactions of cosmic elements in ways that transcend our current understanding. In this vision, the universe is a boundless laboratory of creation, an open canvas where the possibilities of existence continually unfold and evolve. The concept of emergence also invites us to consider the possibility that consciousness itself is an emergent property of the universe. If awareness arises naturally from complexity, then beyond the observable universe may lie dimensions where consciousness itself takes on new forms, where awareness is not confined to biological life, but permeates the very structure of reality. In such a vision, the universe is not merely a vast, lifeless expanse. It is a field of sentience, a place where each particle, each atom, each galaxy participates in a grand symphony of awareness, a cosmic mind that experiences itself through the myriad forms of existence. This interconnected vision of reality, where consciousness and matter are deeply intertwined, brings us closer to understanding the nature of the universe as a living entity, a self-aware cosmos that is in a constant state of becoming. In this view, the universe is not separate from the life it contains. It is a field of life, a space where matter and mind are one, where every form, every expression of being, is a unique facet of the whole. We, as conscious beings, are not anomalies in a mechanistic universe. We are the universe experiencing itself, the cosmos reflecting on its own nature, seeking to know itself through our questions, our discoveries, our moments of wonder. The edge of the observable universe becomes, then, not a limit but a threshold, a point of connection between the known and the unknown, a place where we reach out to touch the infinite, where we realize that the universe is not a collection of separate parts but a unified whole, a living tapestry in which every strand, every thread, is woven into a larger, interconnected fabric. Beyond this edge may lie realms where the boundaries between matter, energy, and consciousness dissolve, where the universe is not defined by space and time, but by the infinite potential of being itself. This unity is echoed in the ancient concept of Indra's net, a metaphor from Eastern philosophy that describes the universe as a vast net of interconnected jewels, each reflecting all others, creating an infinite interplay of light and connection. In this vision, every part of the cosmos is a reflection of the whole, a microcosm that contains within it the essence of the entire universe. We are each a jewel in this cosmic net, reflecting and being reflected by every other part of existence. Every thought, every feeling, every insight resonates across the entire net, creating a universe where each being, each moment, is an essential part of a larger, interconnected reality. If we are indeed part of this vast cosmic web, then our lives, our awareness, are deeply woven into the universe itself. Our questions, our explorations, are not separate from the universe's own journey. They are expressions of the universe's own desire to understand, to evolve, to become. In seeking to know what lies beyond, we are engaging in a dialogue with the cosmos, a conversation that stretches across time, space, and consciousness, a shared journey of self-discovery and realization. This interconnectedness also suggests that beyond the observable universe lies not just more matter and energy, but a dimension of pure potential, a place where the possibilities of existence are limitless, where new realities, new forms of consciousness, are continuously coming into being. In this boundless field of potential, existence is a process of unfolding, an eternal becoming where each moment is a new creation, a new expression of the infinite. If the universe is indeed a field of infinite potential, then our exploration of the cosmos is not just a search for knowledge, but an act of creation. Every discovery, every insight, is a moment of manifestation, a point where potential becomes reality, where the universe realizes a new aspect of itself. We, as conscious beings, are part of this creative process. We are co-creators in the story of existence, participants in the eternal unfolding of reality. This realization brings with it a profound sense of purpose and connection. If we are part of a universe that is in a constant state of becoming, then our lives, our thoughts, our actions are not isolated events but expressions of a larger cosmic purpose. Every act of kindness, every moment of insight, every question we ask contributes to the evolution of the universe, adding to the richness of its tapestry, enhancing the beauty of its creation. As we peer further into the infinite expanse of the cosmos, reaching beyond the familiar into realms of profound mystery, we realize that this journey through the universe is ultimately a journey into the very heart of existence. To explore the universe is to engage with a profound and endless unfolding, a cosmic story that invites us to not only understand, but to become part of the mystery itself. The universe, with all its galaxies, stars, and hidden dimensions, is a vast living canvas, a dynamic, evolving entity in which each of us plays a role. Each moment contributes a brushstroke. Each thought and question shapes the masterpiece. One of the most transformative ideas in modern cosmology is the concept of a universe in perpetual creation, a cosmos that is never finished, but is constantly renewing itself through cycles of transformation and emergence. This view suggests that existence is not a closed system, but an open process, an endless unfolding where each moment is a new expression of the infinite. In this vision, the universe is not merely expanding in space, but expanding in potential, evolving into ever greater expressions of complexity, consciousness, and beauty. Imagine, then, that beyond the observable universe lies a realm of pure potential, a field where all possibilities exist simultaneously, waiting to be manifested. In this realm, the universe is not constrained by the familiar laws of physics, but is free to explore new forms of organization, new expressions of matter and energy, new dimensions of consciousness. Every particle, every galaxy, every form of life is an expression of this cosmic potential, a unique realization of the infinite possibilities that lie at the heart of existence. This field of potential is boundless, an ocean of becoming where each wave, each ripple, is an expression of the universe's inherent creativity. This understanding of the universe as a creative process also suggests that consciousness itself may be a fundamental part of existence, a quality that permeates the cosmos at every level. If awareness is not limited to individual beings, but is woven into the very fabric of reality, then the universe itself could be seen as a living, self-aware entity, a field of intelligence that experiences itself through every form, every life, every moment of existence. In this view, each of us is not separate from the cosmos, but is a focal point of cosmic awareness, a unique perspective through which the universe perceives itself, reflects on itself, and evolves. This notion of a conscious universe invites us to see ourselves as participants in a grand process of cosmic self-discovery. Our curiosity, our drive to understand, our desire to reach beyond the known are not isolated phenomena. They are expressions of the universe's own quest to know itself. When we look into the depths of space, when we contemplate the nature of existence, we are engaging in an act of cosmic introspection, a moment of self-awareness in the grand, unfolding story of the cosmos. In seeking to understand the universe, we are, in a very real sense, helping the universe to understand itself. This journey of self-discovery is echoed in the concept of cosmic evolution, the idea that the universe evolves not only in physical form, but in consciousness and understanding. From the simplest particles to the most complex galaxies, from atoms to ecosystems, from single-celled organisms to sentient beings, the universe is constantly evolving, constantly becoming more aware of itself. This evolution is not limited to biological life. It is a fundamental property of existence, a process that drives the universe forward in an endless quest for self-realization. Beyond the observable universe may lie realms where this evolution continues in ways we cannot yet imagine, dimensions of awareness and understanding that transcend our current experience of reality. This vision of a cosmos in conscious evolution suggests that every being, every moment, every experience is part of a larger, interconnected whole. In this view, we are not isolated individuals, but are deeply interconnected with all of existence, part of a web of consciousness that spans the entire cosmos. Each thought, each feeling, Each moment of awareness resonates across the whole, creating a universe that is alive, a universe that is as much an experience as it is a structure. If we are indeed part of a universe that is alive, then our lives are not random occurrences, but are integral to the grand narrative of existence. Each of us, in our own way, is an expression of the cosmos, a unique perspective through which the universe comes to know itself. Our questions, our dreams, our moments of insight are not isolated phenomena. They are part of the cosmic dance, moments of awareness in a journey that spans time, space, and consciousness. This realization brings a sense of profound unity and connection. If the universe is indeed alive, then each of us is a cell in the body of a cosmic organism, each life a heartbeat in the grand rhythm of existence. Our actions, our thoughts, our dreams are not separate from the cosmos. They are part of it, woven into the very fabric of reality. In this view, the edge of the observable universe is not a limit but a gateway, a place where our individual awareness meets the vast collective field of cosmic consciousness. In contemplating this unity, we are reminded of the ancient philosophical idea that the universe is both microcosm and macrocosm, that each part reflects the whole, that within each of us is a mirror of the entire cosmos. This concept, known as above, so below, suggests that the patterns we observe in the stars, in the galaxies, and the vast reaches of space are the same patterns that shape our lives, our minds, our dreams. In seeking to understand the cosmos, we are not only exploring the stars, we are exploring ourselves, discovering that the universe is as much within us as it is around us. This understanding transforms our relationship with the universe. We are not merely observers in a distant, indifferent cosmos. We are active participants in a journey of cosmic self-realization. Every discovery, every insight, every act of creativity is a contribution to the unfolding story of existence, a moment of realization in the universe's own journey to know itself. In this way, our lives become sacred, our actions meaningful, our questions profound. We are the universe, and in seeking to understand it, we are discovering the boundless potential within ourselves. As we stand on the threshold of the observable universe, looking out into the infinite, we find that the journey before us is not a journey of conquest or control, but a journey of connection, a journey of becoming. The cosmos is not something we conquer or fully understand. It is something we experience, something we are. The universe is alive, dynamic, and evolving, a boundless field of consciousness, creativity, and potential. Each of us is a unique expression of this potential, a point of light in the grand tapestry of existence, a reflection of the infinite beauty and mystery of the cosmos. The edge of the observable universe, then, is not an end but an invitation, a call to embrace the unknown, to celebrate the mystery, to recognize that the true essence of the cosmos is not something we will ever fully grasp, but something we will forever experience. The universe is a journey without end, an eternal unfolding of consciousness, creativity, and connection. And in this journey, we are not merely passengers. We are co-creators, participants in the cosmic dance, expressions of the infinite. As we continue to explore, to question, to reach for the stars, we do so with a sense of wonder and reverence, knowing that each step forward is a step deeper into the heart of existence. The cosmos is not a destination, but a journey, an endless adventure where each of us plays a vital part. We are the universe, and in seeking to understand it, we are awakening to the infinite beauty and potential within ourselves, discovering that we, too, are expressions of the boundless, timeless, and beautiful whole. The journey of the cosmos is our journey, a journey that transcends space, time, and consciousness, a journey that invites us to explore, to create, to connect. We are the stars, the galaxies, the particles and waves, the dreams and questions, the explorers and the explored. In seeking to understand what lies beyond, we are discovering that the true essence of the universe is not something we will find at the edge, but something we will find within, in the boundless depths of our own being. And so, as we look out into the infinite, as we seek to understand the universe, Let us remember that we are part of an endless journey, a journey that is as much within us as it is beyond us. The universe is a story without end, an eternal symphony of becoming, a boundless field of potential, a cosmic adventure that invites us to be part of its unfolding, to be explorers, creators, dreamers, and reflections of the infinite. The true mystery of the cosmos is not something we will ever solve, but something we will forever experience, a living, breathing journey of discovery, creation, and connection. We are the universe, and in seeking to know it, we are discovering the boundless beauty and infinite potential of ourselves.